Morning, everybody. Sell stop all three indices. Sell stop all three indices. A little late. Instead of writing out to the blue line, I said to the red line, which is the same on the 5-minute. Sell stop SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop US 30, 1 minute. Sell stop NAS, 1 minute. And then 15-minute buy stops in all three indices. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Let me go ahead and get this little fellow. Where'd he go? Oh, anyhow. Morning, everybody. If anybody's here, I'll send out the alerts in just a second here. Really, haven't hit 2,000 subscribers. That's really odd. Content dashboard. Content. LT monetized. Thank you. Morning, LT. Morning, Cody. Morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Clintonio. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, LT again. Good morning, Steve. Skip ads. Oh, there we are. Thank you for the thumbs up. We are monetized. Oh, 1 minute sell stops across the board, 15-minute buy stops. in the magazine. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. Take care of that. I got to get on TikTok now. In a magazine. We finally got our new we finally have our new logos. Um, uh, how's everybody doing this morning? I hope you guys got some good sleep, had a great weekend, made some good memories with everybody. Life is short, guys. Let me tell you that. 2 years ago, I had a mom and dad, and now I don't. Oh well. Now I saw mom and dad gravestone. Never in a million years did I think I'd see mom and dad's gravestone. Oh well. Gonna be a million. Da, 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 da. That is the new improved logo with the green on the going up. I had Chad do, but I went back to the root to get them from the original. He did. He did a job. So Chad can't thank either of them enough. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna be a millionaire. So we have different versions of it now, but at least now it has a green up arrow. It was literally driving me nuts that it did not have it. So that's and of course it's the PNG files and all that good stuff. Gonna be a millionaire. Da. Anyhow, but that's that. Those are all renamed. New rules are out. Not major updates. Nothing really has changed too much. The D is now optional, like it's supposed to be. Doing all the new stuff. Specific rules general, and then specific rules trading. The biggest part is that general change. Da, 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 da. I'm a big fan of showing that anymore. I think I'm going to keep this one up only. Ba-da-ba. All right. So we're in sell stops, 1 minute, buy stops, 5 minute, 15 minute, all three indices. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna whip through all the rest right now. Oh shoot. No, no. Let me get on. Gonna be a millionaire. Except I think he's billionaire, which is cool. A billionaire. So let's see. Who's gonna be a millionaire? All right, we're on TikTok. Now let me send out my alerts, tell people we're there. Where the heck is TikTok? 4 hour Deutsch took off. I'll take a look at it. I don't look at Deutsch too much anymore. I heard someone had a more than everybody on TikTok. Um, gonna be a millionaire. I'll stop. 1 minute to the blue lines all out, by the way, that were called last night. Hopefully y'all caught that. When I said to the red line, I should have wrote it out better for you guys. I forget you don't know anything about that stuff. So, anyway, morning, Dion. The Deutsch took off, huh? Somebody said they had a problem with XRP. Where why did XRP have a problem? It went directly to the blue line like it's supposed to do. Why did someone have a problem with XRP in the group? Buy stop XRP to the 1 minute blue line, by the way. And we're in buy stops on the net current call outs, all 3 indices, 1 minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stops. That's your current. Gonna be a millionaire. Da, 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 da. Oh, I can't do it that way. Damn. That'd have been too cute if I could have. Gonna be a millionaire. Green, 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 red, green. Morning, Kev. Hope you and Bri had a good weekend. Morning, driver. Morning, Steve V. Ray. I don't know what Ricey is. Currently in some buy stops. I still have buy stops open long term views. About to give it. 1 minute was sell stop to the blue lines, which worked out perfectly last night for you guys, by the way. Then up again. We're up again. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I wanna be a 1 hour, 4 hour XRP. Yep, that's cool. I'll look at Doge in just a second. I'm looking at Bitcoin now. Alright, let me look at gold first. Gold, 1 minute, sell stop, 5 minute, 5 minute buy stop, 15-minute sell stop. Sell stop to the, blue line, by the way, 15-minute blue line. 30-minute sell stop, a 4 hour buy, and too late on daily, weekly, month. You should have caught that a while ago. So depending on your temperament, what you like to play, it's up to you how you wanna handle that. Bitcoin, 1 minute. Gonna be a millionaire. 1 minute sell, 5 minute sell, 15-minute sell, 30-minute is it 30-minute? Yep, 30-minute. Is it going to the 15? Yep, nope. 30-minute, 5-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. Then it'll be 30-minute blue line. Then it'll be a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. It's about to go back up again. Or a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on Bitcoin. Daily or too late, you should have got in here. You still have room to go to the buy. A weekly sell, Bitcoin weekly sell, monthly buy. You're doing so much money. Listen to me on that monthly buy. And that's Bitcoin, depending on your temperament, if you like playing 1 minutes or scalping or not, do what you want with that. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop, 5-minute sell stop. They're all the same, by the way, they never change. 15-minute sell. Ethereum, 5-minute, 15-minute sell to the 15-minute blue line. 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy. If you don't like the short, lower time frames, do the higher time frames. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna be a millionaire. 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Daily too late, already went up and touched its blue line like it's supposed to do. Weekly sell stop. Ethereum weekly sell. Ethereum monthly buy. Dun, dun, dun. XRP. I own it. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, but I own XRP. 1 minute, nothing. 5 minutes sell stop. 15 minutes sell stop. 30-minute sell. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4-hour buy XRP. It already hit its blue line daily, but it's still gonna go up and fill that gap. Buy daily. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy. Gonna be a mil oil, US oil to be specific. Nothing. Sell stop. Too late for it, actually. Yeah, it's already hit its what it was a 5 minute, already hit its blue line. 15 minute, maybe so? Oh, yep, I think so. 30-minute, nothing. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. It's gonna go down here, touch this red line, then pop back up again is what it's gonna do. Daily sell. Daily sell to the blue line, US oil. Gonna be weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. That's not good if you want lower gas prices. GBP, JPY. 1 minute. Buy. 5 minute. Bouncing off the 5-minute line, coming back up. Buy. 15 years you've been in that one, made your money. 30-minute, nothing. Now you should already been in and made your money and gotten it. 4-hour. Down a little bit. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. Too late on daily. Weekly buy the blue line you missed. I called in last week for you. You made money. Monthly buy. So it's a weekly, monthly buy to the blue line on GBP, JPY. ERUSD. 1 minute. Buy to the 1 minute blue line. 5-minute sell. 5 minutes sell. 15 minutes sell to 15 minutes sell to the 15-minute blue line ERUSD. 30-minute. Already doing it. 1 hour too late. 4-hour. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. It's gonna drop down a little bit more from probably for another 2 hours actually, but we don't wanna get into all that. 1 hour, 4-hour buy. Daily already hit the blue line. You're welcome. Called that out for the last 2 months, and it was 100% spot on correct to the blue line. You'd have made over 400, 350. Yes, around there. Weekly sell, and this is what a great reset looks like. This is a weekly, monthly sell to the blue line. All they're doing is forming a double top right now, what you guys would refer to as M, the downward sloping M. It's the second time it happened, and it's gonna fall down hard. And it looks exactly like GBP USD. So these 2 are forming the exact same thing. Again, this is what the great reset looks like. This is weekly candles. So that means they're going to cause a problem by dropping this triple top. They're gonna drop this down hard after they let it go up a little longer, and then they're going to bring in the digital dollar, and that's what they're gonna do. And that's that. Alright? Yes, blah, blah, blah. Where are these little suckers? Oh, how beautiful, how 'tis of thee. Your 1-minute sells, 5-minute, 1-minute, 5-minute sells, 15-minute, 50, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour buys. So that's all US 30 is. Just like I said a minute ago. Alright, that's everything. That's about I think we went over about 15 different symbols. Oh, good morning, Andrew. Morning, Affy. Good morning, Affy. Rolls-Royce is Royce. You wanna look at it? I don't think it's on here, bud. I already mentioned that, did I not? Symbol, Simba. Let's look at stocks for 'em. Da, 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 da. Yeah, RS. Ferrari's on here. It's not here, like I said. Anyhow, alright. That door off. D nice, good morning. Good morning, Scott. Morning, Kevin. Thank you, D nice. Definitely thumbs up. You already monetized, so I'm not gonna say it. Thank you, D nice, and yes, I am, sir. Thank you for reminding me. CHF, so Chef Japan. Looks like you confirm for me. Yes, I think I can. Let's take a look-see. It's not one of those I look at much, but we'll find it. Let me just open it up. Hold on. Da, 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 da. You go into your symbols. You go into your there it is. Wasn't even open. And you put that in right there, and then that goes down to your very bottom. Chef Japan, 1 minute. Uh, let me see. Well, it's technically a 1-minute buy stop, but I'm with you. I like the idea that's gonna go down to that blue line. But it is a 1-minute buy stop. Let's see if I can find something else for me. It's gonna go down and touch. Fill in the gap. Nope. Fill in the gap 30 minutes for sure. 4 hour. Look at that daily. Oh, look at this daily buy. I never looked at this. Hope someone caught that. Weekly, daily, weekly buy, monthly fill in the gap buy. Wow, it did beautiful. Oh, yeah, I can't call any of those. So if you want me to go back down to 1 minute, yeah, it can dip here for a minute. I can see a 1 minute, sell stop to the blue line if you wanna try that one out, but I'd rather wait. It is a 5-minute, 15-minute buy. It's a 1 hour fill in the gap, but it's really nothing good. I don't like anything about this, actually. So it's a dirty buy if you wanna do a 1 minute. It's nothing. I'm not gonna call it. That's how if you pushed me on that, I would go 1 minute sell, 5-minute buy. That's how I look at it, but I'm not calling that. It's pretty shitty, actually. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Bears. Good morning, Leela. And good morning, D Nice again. All right, I have to go into the Discord and tell everybody I'm live. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, you want to go ahead and get the dis where the hell's my Discord at? I wanna be a millionaire. I know it's billionaire, but whatever. So freaking mad. It's kind of weird. I don't know why that was put. Anyway, let's go ahead and put down live at everyone. Yeah. Uh, da, 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 da. Nice. Let's see if anybody's kicking in. Be ready for your 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. If you're not already in them, you may be. I don't know how you're. Yeah, you'd already be in the NAS, by the way, and you're probably about to enter into SPX. Who's gonna be? You're already in your NAS buy stop. A millionaire. So freaking da, 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 uh, that's US 30. Cool. SPX. Already hit it. Are you able to buy it? Oh man, we could have caught that fucker. Damn. Yep, still a buy, by the way. If you want to get US 30, you can do a 1-minute buy stop right now. It'll go up and touch it. I wanna be a millionaire. Let me see. 5-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute buy. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1-minute buy. Yes, yes, crossed. And this crossed. Yeah. Next up is US 30. I'm already in long-term buys on US 30, by the way. Still in from 2, 3 weeks ago. I think we're coming up on our 3rd week. Not closing down on range. Yeah, that's all. Watch. You're about to see US 30 go up and touch its blue line. Where's my little arrows? da, da. I wanna be a millionaire. Told you, by the way, you'd already be in the money if you listened to that bye. So freaking bad. I wanna be a billionaire. So freaking bad. Damn, I still have a long-term buy on, thing. That's funny. There's your touch of US 30. This isn't a safety trade. This is just me reading all 3 of them at once. That's why I knew where that was going. Bingo. In the money. Who's in the money? Da, 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 da. Morning, Sam. Morning, health, family, wealth. Eric. Morning, Leela. Already said. Morning, D. Nice. Already said. All right. I'm going to send out my alerts. Hope you guys are all doing okay. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. I'm actually going to send out the alerts to people who are supposed to be getting the alerts. Generic. Hi, welcome. It's not even what that. That's not even what that alert stands for. I swear to God. 9 out of 10 people are awesome. The 1 out of 10 really make you wonder why you're doing what you're doing in this, trying to help people. They can't follow simple instructions. Mm. So freaking bad. I wanna be a billionaire. Boom, went down to the blue lines last night. Is anyone seeing a pattern with this yet? As called out, perfection was called out. Then I said it was gonna go up again, hence the going up again right now. Yeah. I'm gonna go and see this is working out beautifully. Every morning, just so nice. It's just so beautiful. Let's see. Da, 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 da. What is it? Eagle. The eagle has landed. Da, 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 da. Oh, freaking bad. Da, 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 da. I wanna be a billionaire. So freaking. All right, where were we? Oh, how you doing, buddy? What's up, Sam? I'm doing good. How are you? Morning, Sean T. Morning, OG. You have an imposter. I've got like 20 imposters. Trying my best to keep up with them all. And we got some Russian dudes too. Made my 2 week. Nice, Leela. Are you kidding me? Fantastic. Great job, Leela. Good job, Leela. Good morning, all. Joe and Cindy. Good morning. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Morning, John. Morning, Sean T. Morning, and congratulations, Leela. That is freaking awesome. We just had our the first live with you guys. And by the way, this is gonna get a little advanced. When I called this out last night, oh, these are the previous calls. When I called these out last night, da, 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 when I said SPX 1 minute buy stop, which it did, then 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute red line. That's the red line on the 5 minute is the blue line on your 1 minutes. I don't know how to explain that to you, but that's what that is. I shouldn't have called it that way because you guys, no one really knows. There's like 2 or 3 people who've been trained on that. And then up again, and that's the up again you're seeing right now. So anyway, that's all that was. Sorry to confuse you all. Some of you didn't understand. So let's go back and look at those trades. Da, 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 da. I wanna be a billionaire. There she is going up. Doop, 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 and there she is coming down to the blue line. Doop, 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 doop. So the first time was right there for US 30. SPX, let's see. There she is, and then let's see if she comes down and touches her. Yep, and there's her touch the blue line. Damn, I wish I'd have caught that. Why do I need to sleep? And SPX just did it too. Just perfection trades. Sell stops the blue line, which are already programmed into the scanner. And yep, there's still a gap one to the blue line, and this is the US 30. See if you caught it. See, sometimes it's gonna be an interesting conundrum we have. But anyway, nice, beautiful little sell stop here, by the way. Yeah, that would've got you over 10 pips. Uh, we're currently at 1 minute sells, and then, uh, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, depending on which pair you're looking at. 30 buy stop, 15-minute buy stops. Yeah, like that's a 15. You're already in your NAS buy stop, by the way. So if you're in your NAS buy and you're up 20, 30 pips, you might wanna take that out, and then still a 1 minute sell over here. Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna stay on all good morning, Dennis. Morning, L19. And let's see, we have 33 likes, and let me see what we got over 51 watching. Well, yeah, I think I'm ready to go anyways. I don't think I'm gonna stay on. Morning, Larry Miller. Good morning, Holly Atwood. Bree is still sound asleep like any sane person would be right now. Bree is absolutely knocked out. Bree will not be up for, let's see, 2, 3 hours, somewhere around that range. And a millionaire. I wanna be. I wanna be a billionaire. Alright, I gotta get things ready too. Alright, for all those of you who are new who bought, which happens to be a substantial amount. Oh, shoot, fire crap. Um, you need to get ready and make sure that you have the new rules are printed and that you have all um, your charts looking like my charts, everything set up. We have new member training at 1 PM Eastern Standard Time today. We have everyone open to training at 4 PM today. So the open training is 4 PM Eastern Standard Time for everybody. You'll be getting an email. Oh, shit. Well, I'm not sure how we're gonna do that. I'll probably go live first on YouTube, and then we'll pull you guys into a Zoom. Dun, 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 dun. I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. US 30 is gonna go up and retouch its 1 minute line again. Let's watch that happen for you, and then I gotta get a couple things done. So freaking bad. Da, 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 da. I can't do anything with NAS, it keeps going up. SPX, same way. Sometimes they get into the little rocket ships, and they just rocket around. Don't forget about the, 15-minute buy stop, especially on NAS, you should already be in it. Gonna get a millionaire. Oh, I'm still in long-term buys from 329, 410, and 413 on US 30, and you're about to see why. Here it goes. No, I'm teasing. Alright, now I have to get up a few things set up for my training. Oh, jeez. Gotta make sure the thing works. So freak da 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 da. That's exactly what it did last night, by the way. It tripped up, came back down, and then it arched back up again. What I left you guys with last night, but no one cares, so. What did gold do? Hold on a second, let me see something. In a million, so freaking gold. Let's see where gold was when I left you. So let's have to the 15-minute blue line, negative 15-minute buy. Look for 1-minute sell stop on gold. Let me see. 1 minute stop on gold. 1-minute sell stop on gold. 1-minute sell. So I said to play for any, well, yeah, there's your 1 minute. It dropped like a rock. Right after I said that, gold dropped down like a rock. Nothing, nothing to the blue line. So that was a 15. That looks da, da, da. Oh, 15-minute blue line. I was like, what the fuck am I talking about? 5-minute sell stop. Yeah, I would say that was a very good call right there. Let me see something. Yeah, very nice. 30-minute gold, 15-minute gold. 15-minute gold sell stop to the blue line that I called tonight is still in effect. 1-hour sell stop. 4-hour buy stop in gold and daily. Yeah. So it's a 4-hour buy. So it's a 5-minute, 15-minute, like I called last night over here. 5-minute, 15-minute to the blue line, and then it turns into 1-hour, 4-hour gold. Sorry, just got careless. Yes. Negative, negative, negative. Didn't go touch? Well, it arched up to it, didn't touch, sorry. Nas, we might see a nice little buy stop here in just a second. This should pull down. We should be able to see, Nas pull down on the 1 minute, touch the red line, and then hook back up again. That'd be wonderful. Get you guys in some more money here. Let me see SPX. Yeah, SPX might do it too. Du 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 da. I wanna be a millionaire. Alright, 5-minute, 5-minute sell. 5-minute sell. 15-minute buy, 5-minute sell, US 30. Hold on. Oh, can't call that for a thing. Can't call that for that. SPX and, US 30 are the 5-minute sells, but, we'll just play it as it rolls out here. I'll stay live. I think the very next thing we're gonna see, though, is well, you might still see the US 30 buy stop. US 30 buy stop, 1-minute blue line, and then we're waiting for a NAS to come down farther. Uh, Angela Tay, good morning, mom. Sunshine, little Miss Sunshine. Good morning, woman. How are you? I'm gonna go ahead and say that our sleeping angel Bri is still sound asleep. 15-minute SPX buy stop. Oh, well, let's see. 15-minute SPX. SPX is SPY in most people's lands out there. Yes, 100% buy stop. That is correct. Gonna be a millionaire. Honesty. It's actually a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop. But there is a to be clear now, let's not be confused on anything. SPX is absolutely where the heck are my alarms? Are absolutely a, 5-minute sell stop. So I don't want anyone getting confused on that one. Who's gonna be a millionaire? Da, 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 da. Gonna be a billionaire. All right. Where were we? Oh, there it is. Told you. There it went. I didn't even see. Hold on. US 30 touched the blue line again. Told you buy stop 1 minute. You gotta take the it doesn't look like much to you, but those buy stops, that's like 6 pips. That's like 8 pips. Just keep taking that free money up. Look at it. Boom, baby. There she blows. Again, on a morning, fill in the gap. Fill in the gap. NAS is gonna go up. There you go. NAS is gonna go up and fill in this gap right here. I'm not gonna explain that. That's for advanced training later today. Also, it was a fill in the gap for SPX again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, 'tis of the 5 minute sell stop, US 30. I should really change this. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You're in the money on your NAS 15-minute buys, by the way. In the money a lot on the NAS 15-minute buys. SPX, you're just now starting to get there if you're gonna enter into that one. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Ass off. Fill in the gap again. US 31-minute buy. Who's in a millionaire? 5-minute sell. 30-minute buy. You guys are gonna force me to write this all out. Gosh darn it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. NAS, let's see. 1 minute. You're already in it. There's nothing you can do. 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. I still think there's going to be a pullback here if we can get a nice chance in on. Same for here. That was weird. Want to be a billionaire. Let's see. All right. Yeah, not much I can do with these, but we'll give it a try. I'm gonna put down NASX. You're already in it, but I'm gonna put those down for 1 minute sell stops and then a 5 minute buy stop. Then of course it's the higher time frame, so it's actually 5 minutes. I hate when people go, oh, it's a 15-minute buy stop. Okay, fine. It is. So there's a little difference on these three, but they're all gonna do the same thing eventually anyways. Just keep watching that US 30. Yes, that's what I thought. We needed the 1 minute pullback right here, and it needs to pull back even further, and then we're gonna call in a buy here for you guys. So stick around. I know it's a little boring at the moment, but you're about to make some money on that NAS and SPX for that matter. Yeah, that's what you'll see. Da, 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 da. Wanna be a billionaire. So okay. Now, Angela's a great, ready to make some money. Yes, you are, mom. I wouldn't touch anything. Don't touch any wait for this NAS to form or the SPX, better for you. It's about to form a buy stop, SPX 500, buy stop, NAS 100 on the 1 minute. We'll just wait for that. I don't think I can get you in gold. Let me check gold for about the third time for this morning. Sell stop gold 1 minute. Yeah. Or you can wait, Mom, and do the, damn, I might take that. You should probably take that one. Or you can do a 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop on gold. Boy, but that 1 minute sell stop looking awfully tempting. I'd put it right below here, Ma, right below the line down there. Buy stop. Don't I have some going? Gonna be a billionaire. That's over here. There you go. So that NAS SPX 1 minute sell stop's looking really good right about now. And it's giving you another chance to enter into your buy stop. Exactly. Uh, Buy stop NAS 100, 15-minute buy stop SPX 15-minute. I'm gonna be a billionaire. So freaking bad. Da, 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 da. Alright, so that takes care of that. 1 minute, US 30. Oh, come on. See, it's moving so fast, I can't even get them. Yeah. Well, hopefully some of you caught it way before then, you could be up. This is the ATM 30, by the way, it keeps shooting back and forth. So freaking bad. Da, 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 da. Sell stop US 30, buy stop US 32. Yeah, there you go. So the blue line for like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times this morning already. US 30 has turned into our ATM. 5 minute sell, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy. Yet again, I'm in this. I'm just going to open up like 1 or 2 of these for later. Right. Buy stop US 30, 30-minute, 1 hour. And let's see, we have NAS. Yeah, here's SPX gonna go up. Did I put a buy stop in SPX? I don't remember. Is it up here? Sell stop SPX 5 minute. NAS. And buy stop 1 minute. NAS buy stop 1 minute, SPX buy stop 1 minute. Can't really call it, but US 30 you're probably already in if you already took a buy on that one. NAS is officially a 1 minute buy stop now. Yay, very easy. And it looks like SPX. We'll just sit here and wait, unfortunately. My buy stops haven't activated yet on NAS. Make sure you don't put anything too close, especially on US 30 if you're messing with US 30, and of course, very, very dangerous. Don't get suckered into something. Do not get suckered into something. Let that be come to you, that trade. You can move it up. Morning, Dr. Matt. Good morning, Larry Cooper. I had a very good weekend. Hope everyone else did too, Larry, including you. What's up? Good morning. What's up, Shiro? Good morning or good afternoon to you, wherever you're at, of course. Da, 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 da. Ba, no, not a lot of my if you listen to the calls from last night, yes. If you listen to the calls from last night, you missed a good bit of money because I called it out to the blue line, which reminds us the red. So these are the calls I left you guys with, the previous calls right here. Doop, they look like that. And that, yeah, because that was a lot of money down to the blue lines. Always trade those down to the lines. I'm gonna have to start writing that out specific. So freaking bad. Good morning, Botnator. All right. Uh, gold. Uh, 5-minute buy, 15-minute sell, 30-minute sell. 30-minute, 1 hour sell. But it is a 5-minute buy if you want to get that, and 1-minute sell. And I can see it easily going up to its blue line on the 1 minute and then hooking and coming back down again. And then Bitcoin been called out left and right, but everyone likes hearing that one. There's your sell. There it is. 5-minute sell, told you. 15-minute sell, told you. 30-minute sell, told you. And it was going down to the 15-minute. Yeah, it's going down to the 15-minute blue line here on Bitcoin. 30-minute, hour, 4-hour. So 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop if you don't want to deal with those sells. But I think it's going to come down a little bit more, actually. There it goes. Look at my fall before your very eyes. Yeah, I kind of remember just seeing this as a sell stop just a second ago. Watch Ethereum. Ethereum's also going to fall at the same time. Ethereum is also a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. Oh, Ethereum has a 5-minute blue line. So the 5-minute blue line, and then Ethereum is literally a 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. A little old XRP. All right, let's go back to work now. Hold on. 1-minute buy. NAS has not engaged for me yet. I might lower this down. Let me see the 5-minute. Da, 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 da. 5-minute sell. I can't keep up with these current signals. These eggs. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. 1-minute buy SPX, 5-minute sell. 15-minute buy SPX. NAS same way. You made a lot of money on that little NAS push up, by the way. US 30 still going to go up and hit that blue line again. Shit. I don't know how many you could have caught. You definitely could have caught 1, 2, I don't know, somewhere in here when I called that one 3. There it goes up again to the blue line. Again, these are hard to catch. We could have caught 2 or 3 out of these 5, 6 for sure. I don't know if you guys are playing those or not, but holy crap, are those some just keeps going back to the blue line, back to the blue line. Uh, 5-minute stop, 1-minute buy stop, US 35-minute sell stop, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy. What's cute is these little 1 minutes. They don't look like much, but man, US 30, you can grab out 4 or 5 pips, 4 or 5 pips. This one right here that we're in, you could be grabbed up 10, 12 pips. And it keeps doing it, so I don't know what to tell you. Take it or don't, but yeah, that's a fun right there. SPX looks like a sell. Where's SPX going to? SPX 1-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 15, 30-minute buy, 5-minute sell. Da, 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 da. So freaking bad. Can we all like Kev's live? He's giving free money. Thank you, Affy. Appreciate that, sir. Morning, Rosh. Good morning, Rosh. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Dr. Matt. Good morning, Angela Taylor, our mom. All right, this is a little boring. Let's see, what time is it? What time really? Is it 7:30 really? So freaking bad. It is 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Da, 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 da. I have so many things to do. 7:30 to 8:30. So freaking bad. Can we all have like okay. Anybody on TikTok, YouTube have any questions for me? I think I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer, but I would really like to go and come back around 9:30. Oh. 5 minutes sell stop SPX 500. Oh shit. Didn't see the NAS to the blue line. Fuck. Let me see US 30. Can't call it. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute sell stop SPX. 5 minute sell stop US 30 and technically 5 minute sell stop in NAS 100, just not the kind you're looking at. And then on the 1 minute, buy stop US 30 to the blue line. Yet again, you can't really play it though. There's not much you can do. Buy stop NAS 1 minute, NAS 1 minute buy stop. Da, 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 da. No, no. I wanna be a billionaire. So freaking da 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 da. Okay. All right. And here we sit. Broken heart. Da, da, da. 1 minute buy stop, all three indices. Pretty much 5 minutes sell stop, all three indices. And then buy stop on a long term. You don't want to push it around these little ones. Like they're 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stops. Just feel free. Boy, I hope there's some kind of news coming out. This is like watching paint dry. I guess I'll go over some training with you guys. All right, let's go over a little bit of training, just the generic stuff for you. You're looking at let's go over to US 30. Let's go over to a nice simple little one you guys can see. Well, actually, there's a 5 minute sell stop for me. 15-minute buy, negative 30-minute 1 hour. There we go. Let's take these away. We don't need these here anymore. Dirty. Da, 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 da. Wow. All right. Um, this is what you got. System is color coded, so it's made for beginners. So in order for you guys to understand what's going on, you have to kinda get rid of the old stuff, old limiting beliefs you have inside your brain right now. Those old limiting beliefs you all have. Again, I know you guys are sick of hearing it, but guess what? You have to hear it. Is this. You type in, literally type this in, 1% of day traders make money, and you're gonna see what comes up. Google say studies have shown more than 90% of day traders lose money over time, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So what does that mean to us? That means everything we've ever been taught, me included, Less than 1% of day traders are profitable. So what does that mean? If you were learning your, um, naming of candles, for instance, like Morningstar, ER, railroad tracks, blah, 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 all that stuff, that was wrong 99% of the time. If you learned Fibonacci retracements, that was wrong 99% of the time. And I love Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracements. I really love the fib retracements. The fib retracement was one of my favorites, but I kept losing over and over and over again, even though I liked it. And now the candles again, as I told you many times, I didn't really care for the naming of candles. I thought that was silly. I was like, "Who in the right mind would name a candle like that means anything?" I thought that fib was something. Then I learned that the fib came from nature and that it was just a repeating pattern, beautiful pattern, spiral pattern that they found out these numbers repeated in a beautiful pattern, and they applied it to trading, and I thought, "That doesn't make sense." Oh, look, we're in the money on ourselves, by the way, if you wanna take that. SPX, you can close down. So once you get rid of all this old garbage, your fib, your Fibonacci retracements, to the left, ascending, descending wedges, support and resistance made no sense. It was wrong so much because I didn't understand how they kept having breakouts. 'Cause if there was support and if there truly was resistance, then what was the resistance? There was no resistance. It broke right through it. Made no sense. So that took out the 3 big ones. Then, of course, there's volume people out there. The volume, the volume, the volume. Like the volume tells you the direction. Oh, well. But I tried all that for about 5.5, 6 years, lost $26,500. So you guys have to do the same thing. And I said, "Enough of that crap. There has to be a better way." And I started putting together my wins, started adding things together. All I could tell you is it came from God. Then all of a sudden, I developed my own system. And then the system is a safety trade system, and it's set up to be worked very, very easily. Oh, look, someone's in the money. Hold on. I know, as soon as I started to try I knew as soon as look, there's your still a buy stop, by the way. Buy stop 1 minute, US 30. No, you're in the money on the 5-minute sell stops. 5-minute sell stops to the blue line, 5-minute sell stop to the blue line. I'm sure SPX is too. Yep, your SPX is also in the money. Is not yet. Well, if that NAS I just told you to the blue line sell stop you did, then yes. 1-minute buy stop, NAS 100, 5-minute, yep, it's like you got 15 minutes. So you can wait for those 15-minute, 30-minute buy. SPX was obviously a 5-minute sell, so you could take that money and run if you're in it, put it underneath there. I don't know how much you guys are in that. That's 1.96 pips, so you could take that money out. And then the US 30 was a lot. Now, if you're in this US 30 sell right here, that's 12 pips for you. That's amazing. Buy stop, by the way. Buy stop US 30, even though it's gonna go down now, and you're gonna see this whole downward movement towards this blue line right here. Let me see what's yeah. Sell stop to the blue line on all 3 indices, 5-minute. But you still have to call what you see. There's absolutely a 1-minute buy stop, NAS, although I don't think it's gonna come into play. And then it's absolutely a 1-minute buy stop, although I don't think it's gonna come into play US 30. But you have to call what you see, so that's where we're at. Now, 5-minute, ding, 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 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. So you can take these downs, these short temporary downs if you want. Might be a nice one too. You might be able to get quite a few out of this. Oh, shit, that'd be a lot. Yep. Sell stop, 5-minute. Yep. Wonder which one's gonna hit first. I think NAS is gonna do it first. I don't know. But again, if you see the 1 minute, you have to honor the 1-minute buy stops, and there is 1-minute buy stop 30 on NAS. There is 1-minute buy stop US 30, and there isn't on SPX straight sell. And that's why SPX is doing so much better than the rest. Gonna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Da, 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 da. Nice. Nice. Okay. Which is like ES. Da, 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 da. Morning, Nell. Good morning, B. Machida. Morning, Patrick. Good morning, Amir, by the way. How can stock be safety trade? Mick crazy. How can a stock be a safety trade? Well, I can pull up Tesla for you. Mean. Let's look at Tesla, and then I'll look at the other form. 15-minute sell stop right there. Matter of fact, I called that out the other day for you guys. 30-minute sell stop. Buy stop 4-hour. Alright, so how can it be a safety trade? Well, what do you mean? Anything can be charter administrated for can be a safety trade. Once you see the safety trade, you follow the rules, put it underneath the, MA, and it goes down, and you make money. Boop, there it is. So, if you're asking, like, which specific, I mean, I can pull up, like, a 1 hour, we can go back a little bit. This is Tesla, and then safety trade right here to the blue line is perfection. It is green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, boom, up it goes. This is a safety trade right here that you're hovering over. Whenever you see that pattern, that is a safety trade, and that's Tesla, so that's a stock. I'm confused in what you're asking. Anything that can be charted on MetaTrader 4 with my system will have a safety trade, buy stop or sell stop eventually. Just when it forms, whether it's on a 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Sometimes, like, on hourly, it could take, like, a day or 2 for it to form. Then you take it. Can stock be safe? Yeah, that I just did Tesla for you. I can do another one if you want to. Different one, ask me if you want Microsoft, anything can be charted. Oh, let me show you too. I'm gonna show you something. The E-minis are the same thing as your SPX, probably. Gonna be a safety trade. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I want you so freaking bad. 5 minutes sell stop SPX. Da, 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 da. So freaking bad. No. 5 minutes sell stop. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. They're all 3 1-minute buy stops, 5 minutes, then 15-minute. I'm gonna move that to 30-minute buy stops, but you can judge that accordingly. Da, 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 da. It's too hard to keep up with that shit for you guys. But obviously, you're about to see another 1-minute sell here for you. This is a 5-minute sell stop SPX. NAS is clean, but it is on the 1 minute. And then US 30 is a sell stop dupe. And one of the things I used to teach, but it got too confusing for everybody, is once you see a buy stop or a sell stop on one time frame, especially above the 1 minute, it actually is a buy stop or sell stop on all three. But everyone couldn't follow that, and I gave up trying to teach it, so I'm not doing that anymore. Oh, oh. What time is it, and what time do I have to go? So I have to get things set up. Do I have time to set up? I wanna be a billionaire. Yes, thanks. Da, 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 da. Shopify. Don't think it's big enough. I'll check it for you though. Symbols, stocks, Shopify. Oh, it is big enough. Yep, I can check it for you. Here's Shopify. I am shocked it's there, but then again, I remember Shopify. Shopify back froze even started, but whatever. 1 minute nothing was a buy stop. Shopify, 5 minute, 5 minute. Nothing, 15-minute buy, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy. You're a little late. Should already been in this. Yep, hourly, 4 hour buy. Where's it going to? 1 hour? Yeah, 4 hour? 4 hour. Yep, daily, weekly sell. Alright, you have a, 5-minute buy, little late getting in, 15-minute buy, little late getting in, 30-minute buy, definitely late getting in, 1 hour buy, definitely late getting in. The 4 hour buy is your hope. You have a 4 hour buy to the blue line, and then you have a daily, is it? Yeah, daily to the blue line, and then weekly sell back down to its blue line, and then monthly, I can't tell actually. I don't know what this monthly is, for this one. But weekly sell stop, and then you have like a 4 hour buy stop. But again, I would wait for a pullback down to this line right here, and then I'd re-enter again. So let it go. Sell stop, fill in the gap, SPX 1 minute. That's how I'd read Shopify. It's fine. You're just a little late. You should have been in like Friday, I guess. I can't tell that exactly. I have to go back to it. And then daily, 4 hour, weekly, 4 hour, and then that weekly is a sell stop. And that's a hard sell. I put a sell down here at 39.96, and I can see it going back down to 26.84. So that's weekly though. That could take literally months to develop. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. There you go on that one though. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Shit. Can't do it. That's a buy stop, as I was saying, all 3 1-minute buy stops. But this is a sell stop, NAS 100 1 minute, sell stop, SPX 1 minute. Damn. Sorry, I got to talking on the other one. Should have put one right here. You could already been in the money on that fudgicle. Gold. Yep, gold went up and touched this blue line. Oh, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop gold. Matter of factly, I'm gonna drop one on this 15. Just wait right here under these so we can see on gold later on. Okay. And then if you don't wanna do something like that, it's a 4 hour buy. You can put one way up. Just wait on this one. Gonna be billionaire. Let's see, it's 1 minute. Oh, God, there's a thing up here. Fill in the gap. You're gonna see this go down and close. Ugh. Yeah, same thing. You're gonna see it go down and close. Gonna be a billionaire. Open up. Good morning, Tatiana and Daryl. If I went over that for you, you should say thank you and you're welcome, Daryl. Like crazy, you should say thank you, you're welcome. And what do I think about ES? I just explained to you, Amir, that ES is your E-minis are your SPX 500s here. And I've gone over that ad nauseum over and over and over again. And it's called out right here. Da, 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 da. So freaking bad. All right. Now I'm gonna have to get some things set up. Let's see, Tatiana, good morning. All right, peeps, we gotta get in over here. Oh, I'm trying to go over to my other computer. I have a 3rd computer over here to the right. That's funny. Yeah, you can't go into other computers when they're not on your same screen. gonna be a millionaire. So freaking bad. And this is that. Da, 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 da. I wanna be- All right. Now we have to find, let's see. We need to go over to here. Oh, I still need to be which one is this? This is Eagle left. No, that's my rapid. Right, let me go over to here. You're welcome, Amir. Marty 5-minute dash to the blue line. Antonio, did you call SPX 5-minute to the blue line? Robel, good morning. Good morning, Robel. Dot, 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 dot. I caught, be specific. We have a US 30. Look at US 30. US 30 buy stop. I'm going to go ahead and say that one's doing good for us. Yeah, all three of these are 1-minute buy stops, by the way. Buy stop, 1 minute, all three indices. Oh, look at US 30 go. And you were asking NAS? SPX. NAS. 5-minute NAS. 5-minute NAS to the blue line. I would follow down a 1-minute sell stop if I were you. 1-minute sell stop, follow it down. 5-minute, nothing. 5-minute SPX is a 5-minute sell stop. Okay, so let's go over to things first. SPX, 5-minute sell stop. I'm calling a 1-minute buy, but that's just because it's going back to its blue line again, that's all. You can still play a 1-minute sell right below here. Wait for it to come down. Wait for it to come down. If it doesn't come down, be prepared for your 15-minute buy. So for instance, right now, this is a 30-minute buy. Again, buy stop, SPX 30-minute, 15-minute buy stop, 5-minute sell stop, 1-minute. Yeah, I'll call a sell for you because this is a fill in the gap sell. That's not what I'll be playing on this particular instance, but that's what it is. So that's SPX. NAS, 1-minute sell stop, fill in the gap, 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute buy stop. All it's gonna go back down again is touch that red line and then swoop back up again. So am I calling it the NAS 5-minute? No. You can't call it NAS 5-minute sell stop to the blue line because no one's hit it yet. I can't call SPX 5-minute sell stop to the blue line because no one's hit it yet. I can't call US 35-minute sell stop to the blue line because no one's hit it yet. So no, I'm not calling it officially to the 5-minute blue line. Absolutely not. I am calling, just like it was, a 1-minute buy stop on US 30 to the blue line. I am calling a 1-minute sell stop, NAS 100, sell stop fill in the gap. I am calling the 1-minute sell stop SPX, uh, sell stop. I am calling, 5-minute sell stop SPX. I am calling NAS 100 5-minute sell stop. I am calling US 30 a 1-minute, I'm sorry, 5-minute sell stop. I am calling 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute buy stop US 30. I am calling a 15-minute buy stop NAS 100. I am calling a SPX buy stop 15-minute. And again, these are all too many. Skip all the lower level time frame trades and just go into one of these higher ones and sit and wait. I feel like I'm confusing a lot of you, and I don't mean to, but it's hard to call multiple levels when you guys don't even understand like 1 minutes and 5 minutes. It's very hard. So for instance, on this 1-minute US 30, it was a buy stop to the blue line. I mean, that's the call you had on the 1-minute, and that's where it went to, and obviously that's still going up. On the NAS, I can't call a buy stop on the 1-minute. This is a 1-minute fill in the gap sell stop. And then if you have forced my hand, I would say then you better look strong and hard at a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. That's what it's probably going to do very soon. And then if you force my hand, this is still a 1-minute sell stop SPX. It is what it is. It's a 1-minute sell stop SPX and a 5-minute sell stop SPX. Does that negate the fact that there's a 15-minute now there's a 30-minute buy stop? No. There is a 30-minute buy stop. You should put in a buy stop up above here and wait. If you're not comfortable playing these 1 minute, 5 minutes bouncing around here, bouncing, then don't do it. Just don't do it. Wait for the higher time frame to take hold for you. Okay? So here's the 1-minute NAS, sell, stop, fill in the gap. It has to be called. There's nothing else I can do. That's what it is. And then if you wanna know what it's just a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. That's all it is. So it's coming down. If you want me to draw it out for you to be specific, this is what I believe you're about to see NAS do. It's coming down. Came up, it's gonna come down like this again, maybe a little deeper this time, and then it's gonna shoot, and that's what you're gonna see. How far down will it go? I don't know. Will it touch that 5-minute blue line? Probably, but is that for sure? No. By any stretch of the imagination, it is not. That's all. Hope I can make things a little clearer for you. And if you don't like these higher time frames, there is an obvious 30-minute buy stop on SPX. Just sit there and wait. There's an obvious 15-minute buy stop on NAS. Sit there and wait. If it never happens, then just play these 1 minutes as they come up. 1-minute sell stop, NAS 100. If it comes down, matter of fact, let me pull this up. Da, 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 da. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to move up one. And there you go. That's how I'd read it. So no, no one has touched the 5-minute blue lines. I can't call that yet. That's not a callable trade. That US 30 is looking fucking beautiful right there. Oop, shit, but no. This is a dirty buy stop to the blue line, perfection. 20, 30 pips. I'm still in my long-term buys on US 30, by the way. Have been, will be, not getting out. Been over 2.5 weeks now. And that's why. Look. See that 30-minute buy stop right there? Do you see it? Look at it. It is a 30-minute buy stop. So again, if you don't like all those little ones, look, there it is. There's your money. Put your buy stop in line right here, and you're up 25, 30. I don't know how I'd play it. Now is the same true for NAS? No, it is not. It is on the 15-minute. Yeah, you'll see the 15-minute click in, and you'll see NAS pop up, boop, and then you say, "Hey, wish I woulda got in that thing." And there's SPX. Look, you're in the money on SPX, and that is a 30-minute. So there you go. You could have and should have been down here, but depends. I got in here, so I'm not even up a pip yet. If you'd have got in here, you'd be up about 2, 3 pips. Doesn't sound like much, but for SPX, that's filling the gap. So again, all whatever you're comfortable trading, trade that time frame. If you're not comfortable trading 1 minute, 5 minutes, jump up. I teach everybody the 1 minute, 5 minutes though, for one simple fact. Gonna be look at that shit. Oh, that is beautiful right there. Sell stop 1 minute, NAS 100. Sell stop 1 minute, NAS 100. It's broken now in SPX because it's gonna go up. I keep trying to help you guys out. Um, I always liken it to this. I teach you guys to trade on SPX 500, 1 minute chart, 1 minute, 5-minute charts so that you can get the feel of the speed. What does that mean? If you ever driven 100 miles an hour and then you go back down to driving 20 miles an hour, all of a sudden 20 miles an hour doesn't feel fast, right? But when you first started driving, 20, 30 miles an hour felt really fast. That's what happens when you trade SPX 1 minute, 5 minutes. When you learn to trade sell, stop, now's 1 minute, by the way, to the blue line, and it already just touched it. Oh, that's beautiful. When you start trading, the 1 minute, 5-minute charts, that's where you learn. and then I move you up and bump you up to the 30-minute, 1 hours, all of a sudden, the 1 hour, 30-minute charts, 4-hour charts feel like snails. They're not even look like they're moving to you, and you can see the trades that much clearer and easier. So, yes, it's harder to trade the 1 minute, 5 minutes. Yes, they move faster, but in reality, you're going to make a shit ton of money in the long term if you do it that way, because then you can see these trades coming from a mile, miles away. That's all. In case you some people go, "Why do I trade on SPX?" That's why. I want to be a billionaire so freaking bad. I think you're really looking forward to quitting my day job. Awesome, Kevin. Please let me know when you do. How far away are your stops? I'm not telling you where my stop losses are, Daryl. Buy the system, learn. We teach you that. I'm looking at 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop SPX. Where do you have the buy stop places, Tatiana? SPX? Look at it. Shit, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! Well, I don't think it matters. You're in it. 15, which one are you on? 15-minute, 15-minute. Look at that shit. I would have it right where I do have it, right here. So freaking bad. This is where I have it. I can't help you at that point. You should, Tatiana. Well, oh, you haven't had your training yet, have you? Sorry, Tatiana. Once you have your training, there's rules of where to place that. I don't think you've had your training yet. That's why you asked that question. I can't really go into details here. I'm sorry. Good morning, Keith Palmer, the greatest golfer in the world. No, I don't know. I don't even know if it's any good. What's up, Shash? US 30 blast. Nope, it's today. Oh, good, Tatiana. Once you're done with training today, I promise you, your brain's gonna be exploding emoji, and then, yeah, you're gonna go like, "Holy crap." That's where you put it. You'll know. There'll be no you can ask questions at the end of your training, but you won't have any other than, "Is my head still attached to my body?" 'Cause it's a lot. You're about to learn a lot. People think like they know what's going on here. They don't know. It's very easy to learn, and then there's layers. Alright, your buy stop is paid off for the 1 minute. This is where my entry was. You can get out of this trade. You're up a couple pips. Your rules are 1, 2, 3 pips profit depending on what you're trading. And in this case, on SPX, you'd be out of the trade already. 5-minute sell stop. 5-minute sell stop. SPX 500. 15-minute buy stop. Should be out of the trade already if you're trading SPX as a new person. 30-minute buy stop. Da, 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 da. NAS. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line, which already hit actually. This 1-minute stop right here, hit to the I know I can't help it. It's not a lot. There's your blue line. Yeah, the 1, 2 pips. What am I supposed to do? I don't make that thing. 5-minute sell stop. SPX, no, I'm sorry, NAS, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. US 30. Obviously, a 1-minute buy stop worked out really well. 5-minute sell stop, still 5-minute sell stop. 15-minute buy stop worked out really well. 30-minute buy stop worked out really well. Okay, there's a 1-minute buy stop, a 15-minute buy stop, a 30-minute buy stop, and a 30-minute 1 hour. That's a 1 hour fill in the gap buy stop. So let's go ahead and go over that again. There's a 1-minute buy stop US 30, 15-minute buy stop US 30, 30-minute buy stop US 30, 1 hour fill in the gap buy stop US 30. And if someone doesn't understand why that might be going up, I can't help you. I can only do so much to, make this, color coordinate and everything else. Look at your buys. Your entrances would have been right about here, and there it is. 37 pips up this morning. Hope everybody's feasting. Now the 5-minute sell is still active. You put it underneath here, but it doesn't get it. If you made your money on your sell, look what you would have made right here. 8, 10 pips. Good enough for me. The average professional trader makes 10 a day. And you guys laugh when we make like 5. Whatever. Everyone's perspectives are different, I guess. And there it is. Look at the beauty. I don't know. Hopefully, you guys look at that trade and go, "Wow, that's pretty fucking clean right there. Freaking clean, freaking clean." 1 minute sell stop, NAS, 15-minute buy stop NAS, 15-minute, 30-minute fill in the gap, buy, stop, NAS, 1 hour, buy, stop, NAS. I don't know what else to tell you. That's all I got. So that 1-minute sell stop is engaged and made you money if you're going to the blue line. Oh, heck. How long is the wait for the one-on-one training? What's purchase? It's every Monday, except, of course, when I'm gonna be in, Universal Studios here in a couple weeks, but it's every Monday, um, at, 1 PM Eastern Standard Time. So if you buy well, hell, if you buy this morning and get everything done I got, you can get it. Oh, my bad. We can't get you your invoice. So it'll be next Monday would be the latest. It's always Monday at 1 PM Eastern Standard Time for anyone new. It's always 4 o'clock Mondays. Uh, if you're, not new. We should probably switch that because I'm always running around. You're in the money a lot on your NAS 100 sell stop. I'm always running around Mondays, like we're on vacation, the last travel day for us. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting to see. That sell stop on NAS is working out perfectly because it just does. Even though the other one's going up, it'll catch up in time. So you're supposed to have it in between here, sell stop between here, 4 pips. Is that a lot? No. Can I help it? No. That's just what it is. Gonna be a billionaire. Can't call anything on the other 2. Your NAS is paying off in dividends, though, and, of course, your US 30 is paid off a shit ton. You should be done trading right now with US 30. Uh, 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 uh. Oh. Urban Astoria, Buenos dias, good morning from Mexico. Good morning. Good morning, Steven. No apologies, I'm glad you're here. You can use this for Nadex. Nadex is, my best friend. They're binary options, and it works better than trading on MT4. If you use Nadex, you can smooth out all these little ups and downs. You can see where it's going to be in an hour for ERUSD where they have these, Nadex options. You're talking about binary options, Nadex options. It works fantastically well, Mr. Johnson. It works better than being on Forex itself. That's how good it works on Nadex. Can you tell me about the Keith tool that shows up and down? About the Keith? What? I don't know what that means, Kevin. You have to explain yourself. Oh, you're talking about the scanner? I use Nadex. It's amazing. I know Team Lane use Nadex. I haven't gotten back into my Nadex much since being here, being back, from Vegas, but, yeah, I love Nadex. Love, 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 love Nadex, and I keep hearing from Jose that I would love, E-minis, Tradeovite better, and I've had an account of Tradeovite for, like, 8 years or something. I just never used it, or I think I used it and got my ass kicked and never got back to it. But nonetheless, yeah, Tradeovite's supposed to be even better, but I love me Nadex. Thinkorswim, not as much because it has that theta decay and all that bullshit. I used to do options. I did options before TD Ameritrade was TD Ameritrade, before TD Ameritrade was whatever it was, before it was whatever it was. I've been in that company almost 30 years. Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. It might be over 30 years actually now I think about it. Holy shit. Oh my god, I think it's over 30 years now. Anyhow. Why is Nadex good, Kev? Because it smooths out your ups and downs. So, for instance, now I'm calling a sell stop on the 1 minute. I would literally go over here to US 30, say buy stop. I would pick a Nadex option that expires in the money. I would take a Nadex option if it was on a year USD like 2 hours from now and win because you can't lose. The system tells you where it's going to be before it happens. So I know, for instance, by now these US 30 sometimes they don't have all, I mean, yeah, they usually have 11 o'clocks. So I'd pick one out that was like 11 o'clock, wherever it was. Boom, I put it in there. So if it dipped down a little bit, there's your buy. There's your NAS 100 buy. Boom, baby. Yeah, it just smooths it out. So you're win. You do not have to worry about the dips or like the what it sells. Look at that. Oh, you're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on NAS. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom. And which one is that? I don't know. The 15-minute buy stop. Hello? Da, 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 but that's all. It just look at that buy stop filling the gap again. I'm sorry to see it on SPX, but Nadex is superior to trading Forex, superior by far. And you can look up some Nadex trading videos that I have. It's amazing. I love Nadex. Love Nadex. Love, 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 love. Yep, you can absorb all those drawdowns so easily. It means nothing. Any down or up or doesn't mean anything. As long as you know where it's going, because they're binary. Either you're in the money or you're not. And binary is so stupid. Either you win or you lose. Yes or no. True or false. That's what binary means too, right? So these binary options, either you win or you lose. And if you know where it's going to be before the time period, you win. And we know where it's gonna be hours, days before. So, like, something like today, I see this make me open up Nadex. On Mondays and Tuesdays especially, you can do weekly ones, and then I could just plug it in and do weekly options. You can't lose. Well, I mean, you can, it's Forex, right? But it's a 99% shot of winning. You say, "Okay, well, I know where it's gonna be," if there's a good setup, the right setup on it. And if you see your 1 hour, 4-hour daily, like, looking like a buy stop, like on ERUSD sake, you can't lose. I mean, it's just they're giving you money on Nadex. They do on Forex, you just have to be more exact, more precise. Nadex, you can just kinda shoot the cannon and it's gonna be right. It's just gonna be in the money, that's all. Morning, Dale. What's up, Dan Cast? Oh, you just bought it? Yeah, the power is in the higher time frames. My higher time frames to trade are 1 hour, 4 hours. Those are my best time frames. You can't miss on a 1 hour, 4 hours, just that easy. You use it on Forex pairs. They only trade. Yeah, you can use it on Forex. I think he means you use it on Forex pairs with Nadex. You can trade certain ones on Nadex. Yes, they have Forex pairs. They have gold. They have oil. They have US 30, all your things. Yes, they have those on there, and they have Forex pairs. And the best one to trade is ERUSD because ERUSD is the most popular. They have ERUSD Nadex options expiring basically every hour or two all day long on Nadex. So you can literally pick an expiry like an hour away. And for instance, on this one right here, well, let's go to the daily. On this one right here, where I knew this was going to go up to the blue line, which it did 100% went up and touched the blue line right there. Look at that. Look, twice it did it, by the way. Twice it touched it. God, what a great call. Any rate, system's amazing. But when it did that, you can know months in advance this is a buy stop to the blue line on a daily on ERUSD and play every buy stop that ever forms on Nadex. It's like the most amazing thing ever. That's all I can tell you. Ah, all right. Gonna review NAS 100 entry for Cheetah. NAS, yes, and I have to get over to TikTok. Your entry. Sell stop 1 minute, nothing you can do. 5 minute, nothing, sell stop, buy stop, 5 minute. So here is the first clue on a 5 minute, 15 minutes. So this is a 15 minute, this is a 15 minute, this is a 15 minute buy stop. So for instance, right here, I can't go over exact entries, but you put it where you know you're supposed to put it, and you put it above that, and you get in and you make money. I can't go over details here. I can't do that anymore. We got scammer people from trying out there to do scamming. It was very easy fill in the gap, very easy entry. Yep, but we do that training today at 4 PM Eastern Standard Time. All new people will be 1 PM, Eastern Standard Time training that have bought the system and have already submitted everything and done through their little walkthrough. What a thing of beauty. I want to be a millionaire. US3 is gonna be forming another buy stop soon. You're about to make a shit ton more money. Nothing I can do for 1 minute, and there was a fill in the gap SPX, nothing I can do with that now. So nothing you can do on that. We'll watch US30 then. Alright, let me get over to TikTok. Don't cast, yes, sir. Late Friday, won't be ready to train until next Monday. Oh, that's cool, Don't Cast. That's perfect. Congratulations to you, by the way. Welcome. Everyone should be welcoming Don't Cast into our trading group. How long to wait if one trade? Nope, that's it. Okay, it's good to know. Yes, sir. How long is training on Monday? All depends. It can be anywhere. You can leave after about a half hour of training 'cause that's the beginners. Sometimes it goes an hour, most times it goes an hour, sometimes it goes an hour and a half, but not usually. So I would say anywhere from a half hour to an hour. You could be done with the basic training within a half hour of training. If you wanted the advanced training, you'll do an hour and a half. Selling, not buys. Lula Fox. I don't know what that means, Lula. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Good luck today. Thank you, Dale. I have my eyes on GBP uptrend. GBP USD. Let's take a look at it. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. 5 minute to the blue line. It's gonna keep going up to the blue line on the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell. 30 minute sell, 15 minute, 30 minute sell, GBP USD, 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour buy stop if you wanna wait that long, and then daily nothing, and the weekly is a sell. This is your great reset. What you're looking at is what happens when they wanna drop something hard, and they wanna bring in a digital dollar. That's what you're seeing before your very eyes. You're seeing history actually right here. It's a weekly sell, okay? Yes, good morning. Good morning, Jimmy. Alright, who do we have here? B. Mashida. I need to go figure out this Natick stuff. It's fantastic. Natix is so simple. Once you get a hang of the safety trade itself, Natix easy, stay away from the 5 minute options. Yeah, they have what's called, me and her, this one guy got into it. Natix has options of all times. People go over there and try to do gambling. They'll go over there and do these expiries, 5 minutes expiries and 3 minute expiries and 10 minutes expiries, expiry. That's not what Natix is. Well, I mean, I guess you can gamble with it if you want. Natix is actually taking ERUSD, your knowledge of ERUSD, for instance, watch. You take ERUSD, right? Boom, and you go over to the daily. You can honestly see this as a buy stop. You go over to Unishift, you can honestly see this as a sell stop. Look, and all you do is take out options against either or. I would never do Unishift options, by the way. I'd only do ERUSD options, but nonetheless. And then you just trade it. So if you saw a 1 hour reversal here and a 1 hour reversal here on Unishift, you can't really miss. This is a sell stop. Sell stop, Unishift, 1 hour. Boom. And then you go over there and buy some puts, contracts. You go over there and buy some put. Some guy tries saying, "Oh, those aren't blah blah." Get out of here. Everyone knows what those are. And a buy stop, 1 hour ERUSD. And then I would just see if my blue line was up here, ooh, which is not. Be careful. You just you trade safety trade. I stop, NAS 100, by the way, 1 minute. You do your safety trading on a well, depending on how you wanna trade this on hourly or 4 hourly for your USD and do like a weekly option contract, and then you could just you sit back and wait. And it doesn't matter what happens Wednesday, Thursday, because eventually they'll come up to where they're supposed to be because we know where it's going, and you make your money. It's just I think I made $750 like in, I don't know, it was like 20 minutes on a training video once on a demo, and everyone was impressed. I mean, that's nothing. You can open up 20 contracts. If you're up $55 per contract, you'll make your $1,200 or 1,100 and whatever it is, and just like that. I mean, it's so Nadex just smooths everything out. I love Nadex. I just haven't gotten into it. I didn't do it in Vegas for those 2 months, and I haven't got back into it yet here. But I'll start showing you Nadex as we go forward. What's up, Atra Phileas? Have I look up and I'm in the Nasdaq? I do not want to here. Thank you. Now, DNAS, make sure you're not holding any of these overly long. I mean, unless you really open up to, they're gonna buy stop 1 minute, buy stop 1 minute, SPX 500, 5 minute sell stop, buy stop. So again, when you're up on these SPXs for like the 20 millionth time here, you're up 2 pips and you don't sell, you're being greedy. So that is a sell stop. This is a buy stop 1 minute SPX, 5 minute sell stop. NAS, 1 minute buy stop, NAS 100, 5 minute sell stop. US 30. 1 minute buy stop, 1 minute buy stop again? No shit. I'm done. already too many times. I have some long term. I have long-term buy stops. I don't care what it does short term. I have long-term buy stops a lot, actually, 2 or 3 of those. There it is. Hold on. NAS is in the money on the buy. There it is. You're in the money on buy again. You're in the money on your buy again. Now, again, if you're up 9, 10 pips on this trade, if you have 3 of them open, close 2 down, keep 1 open, whatever you're gonna do, but don't stay in the trades longer than you feel comfortable with, please. So freaking I'll keep that in mind. Lane, yeah, sounds like an option set it. Forget it, higher time options, it is. Well, you can play the ones that are expiring in an hour or 2 with ERUSD because they have so many, so many. Uh, welcome. Oh, thank you, Joan Cindy, for welcoming them. Be nice, be patient because your life's about to change $575. I know, right? Tatiana, I see a 4-hour buy stop in GA. GA. Let's see. GBP odds 4-hour. I don't use initials here. I like using full things. It is a 4-hour buy stop, correct? It is a 1-hour sell stop, 15-minute sell, 1-minute buy. See the 1-minute buy right here? There it is. 11 pips. Yeah, very good read though. Excellent on that. I want to be a millionaire. There goes gold. Live Shash US 35. Ooh, 1-minute touch blue line gold. Oh, let's see what we got. Yeah, this isn't officially a buy stop, but yeah, that is correct. I called that one. That's why we're in that trade right there. Yep. 5-minute buy, 15-minute sell. Just forming up this thing. I believe you're about to see this come down, come back up again, scoot over here and come back down. I think you're just seeing an M form on the 15, a double top. Yeah, it's gonna come back up again. This one to touch up here again and then scooch it down again. Buy stop, US 30 1 minute, right above that last push up it did. Gold, Nar Hills, 4-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour buy stop gold. So free, 15-minute sell stop gold. And we already had the one, so you can't do anything about it. Okay. If there's going to be any news, it's going to be coming soon, and I don't care if there is or isn't. Lord knows we ate the news up. Lock in your profits anytime around 8:30, give or take 10, 15 minutes. They like jacking it up, down, sideways, up and down. Lock in your profit. Remember the call outs that we currently have. 1-minute buy stop. Matter of fact, you put it right above where I have mine right there. 1-minute buy stop, US 30. 5-minute sell stop, US 30. 30-minute buy stop, US 30. NAS, too late. You already should have been in this one. 5-minute, can I call that? No. 5-minute, no, 5-minute, 15, 15, 15 buy. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. I'm still gonna go 15-minute buy stop, sorry. I still 5-minute sell stop on NAS. Sticking with that, don't care. Put it underneath there if you want, or don't trade it again. If you're not comfortable, put it 1-minute buy stop, 1 minute SPX, 5-minute sell stop SPX. Both are accurate. 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute buy stop SPX. So again, either or, play the 1 minutes, play the 5 minutes. If you just made your 2, 3 pips on your SPX, you should be out of the trade anyway. If you're trading the sell stop, put it right down here and wait. Just be patient for it to come down. You can run one up higher if you want. Watch. Well, I can't get it up. So yeah, sell stop 5-minute. I like these ones. I'm gonna stick with these. All 1-minute buy stops, 5-minute sell stops, 30-minute buy stops. Again, they're not all ideal, but that's what I'm seeing. We're gonna stick with those for now. Lock them in. This is a 1-minute buy stop SPX. What's NAS again? 1 minute fill in the gap. NAS buy stop. 1-minute US 30 buy. I agree with those. Those are all correct. and then just wait. And if you don't like the 1 minutes, play the 5 minutes. If you like 5 minutes, play the 15, 30 minutes. If you don't like 30 minutes, play the hourly. If you don't like the hourly, play the 4 hourly. If you're gonna play daily, good luck. You're gonna be sound asleep. Oh, alright. Anyone else? I don't think I missed anyone in any of these. Here we go. Oh, I have to get this other thing. What time is it? Oh, shit, it's not even 8:30. Uh, I gotta get things up. I can stay till probably like 11, I guess. Alright, Bitcoin thing. Let's go over that scanner. Someone asked about the scanner for Keith. That arrow thing, Keith, that's funny. Alright, here, this is the scanner, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you can see the power of the scanner on, uh, YouTube. So that's how the scanner looks. You can see right here that we have a XAUR, so it's gold, euro, XAG, which is I have no idea. Is it platinum, silver? I don't know which one that is. Silver. Alright, and then you can click on it right here, close it down, get out of there, then you can see it. So let me show you what people on here look like. So get this over there. This is a scanner right here, and this is a scanner. What it does is just amazing. These are look at those trades. The little up arrow things, the arrow things. I can't believe that guy said that. It's funny. These arrow things right here, when you look at that, that means it's a probable buy stop. It's trading just like me. It's looking at all different 8 time frames on over 100 different symbols. And there's your buy stop right there. That's a 1 minute. This is a 5 minute. Isn't that the coolest? Also does all Forex. It does all the indices and gold and oil. There's EURUSD 5 minute sell stop. You can pull that up and you just down there it is again. So cute. Amazing actually what it is. This is what Keith has developed. And then it says crypto. And again, I've been working on crypto. There's Ethereum sell stuff. That's when you buy it. See that new little thing? So when you see this new, that's when you jump into the trade. You do not jump into the trade after 10 minutes. It's when it's new, you have to go check it. Boom, is it there? Boom, pull it up through your phone through any desk. Yes, yes, it is there. Open the trade. That's how you trade. This will go away after 1 minute. The spinning will continue for 5. Just amazing. Keith is just an amazing job. Wouldn't trade crypto for 1 second without it. It's right all the time. This is your stocks. All your major stocks are in here. There's over 100 symbols. So everyone says, "I wanna copy your trades, Kevin. I wanna copy trade." This is the next best thing, 'cause I'll never do it for you guys, ever. My whole point is to teach you how to trade. That's why I want you to teach you how to trade so you don't have to rely on me or anyone else. Look, Safety Trade System scanner is me and the scanner. It's being upgraded for you to trade to the blue line, which is ins oh, wait till that's a million silver. Yeah, that's silver. I thought I just brain farted. What's up, John? What's up, Margo? Wanna be a millionaire. Yeeb. 1 minute buy stop SPX, 5 minute sell stop SPX, 15, 30-minute buy stop SPX. That's 5 for all you guys. NAS, 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. 5 minute sell stop, not ideal. 15-minute buy stop NAS. US 30, 1 minute buy stop. 5 minute, broken sell, but nonetheless, sell stop. 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Ba, 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 da, up in the air. And I'm gonna throw you guys for a loop. When you see these 1 minutes goes up and down, like you're seeing that, oh, this went up and down, all that is you're inside of a 1-hour candle that's going up and down, and I can show that to you if we had these connected, if I don't, but I'll do my trading. You're literally inside of this 1-hour candle right here. This is what you're seeing. You see this movement? The 1 minute that goes up, forming this wick, is the buy stop. You guys' minds are gonna be blown. I don't teach anyone this. And then it's also to the minute. That's why I have these candle things on here. So this is inside. Then when it comes down, informs this down, this red part of your 1 hour, that is the 1-minute sell stops inside of there and 5-minute sell stops. You're literally inside of a 1-hour candle, and here's one better, you're actually inside of a 4-hour candle right now too. So this whole little wick that you see here on your 4-hour candle is made up by the 1 minute up. This is the wick. Those of you on, YouTube can see this. This is this wick that you're seeing right here. Now, I don't wanna blow your minds, but you're actually trading inside of these candles on the 1 minute and 5 minutes. It's the coolest freaking thing. And you don't do top-down analysis, you do real live analysis where you see this at the time it's happening. It is so freaking cool. So this is literally, if you can see this on, YouTube, well, slash TikTok, you're literally witnessing what this wick is right here. Oh, this is going down. This is definitely a down watch. You're seeing it live. You're seeing this play out inside of a 4-hour candle, and then you're seeing it play out inside of a 1-hour candle, and then you're seeing it play inside of a 30-minute. You see this? And that 30-minute is inside the 1 hour, and then that 15-minute is inside that 1 hour. But the difference between what you're seeing everything else do and what you're seeing live is that this is live. You can attach these 2 charts, and they actually will match up, so you see what's inside of each. It's the coolest thing. It is so freaking cool. That's all I can tell you. It's utterly amazing. I've trained, trained probably about 1,000 people or more. I know we're at, like, 7 or something in the system, but I mean 1,000 people or more trained. And on one hand, I can count anyone that appreciates what I just told you. Maybe 5, 6 people. "Oh, that's so fucking cool, you're inside of the one." Yeah, you're literally inside of it, and when you pull open and actually zoom in, and I have it open like this, then I come over and I have both charts open, the 1 minute, 5 minute, you can see this thing right here is that candle wick. This right here is that wick. It's so fucking cool and freaking cool. But at any rate, no one cares, so I'll go off of that, but it's neat to see. Stephen Dunn says, "I understand. SPX is dumping. Spray is dumping. Silver." Oh, yeah, we went over that. Alright, so dumping. Well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you other than that is a 5-minute sell stop, short and spout. There it is, and there it's out. 5-minute sell stop. Told you this morning that's what one has to pull back down. Just ask how much NAS will follow. I even said NAS is going up to form a double top, whatever, and US 30 will be falling right behind it. Short and spout. This is my key cup. This is my spout. There you go. If you're in your SPX trade on a sell stop, which you are, you're up almost 3 pips. You should close down all your trades or go ahead and do, open up 4, close 3, whatever you did. I have 2, obviously. And there it is. There she blows. If you don't wanna do the 1 minutes, don't. If you don't wanna do the 5 minutes, just do the higher time. There they Well, but you said it's gonna go up. Well, then wait. If it doesn't go up over that, then you can't take the trade, can you? That's all. Sell stop. Buy stop 30-minute. Buy stop 30-minute, 1 hour. SPX buy stop. We're still in a 5-minute sell stop, and we're about to do it again. Yes. 1 minute. Ooh, it broke. Can't call 1 minute. 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop. US 30. It's broken, but you can still call it. 1-minute buy stop US 30, 5-minute sell stop US 30, 30-minute buy stop US 30. So again, when you guys come over here and look, "Oh, Kev called a buy stop, blah, 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 blah." This is what you'd have made from here to here, 50 pips. I don't know what to tell you. Again, if you're greedy, you'll get slaughtered. That's I wouldn't be greedy. Take your money, be happy, get out, and by the way, just regrouping again. 30-minute buy stop, US 30. 5-minute sell stop, US 30. 1-minute buy, but it's broken, but it's still a buy. Broken buy, US 30. Dot, 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 da, 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 dot, 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 dot. 5-minute sell, NAS. Minute buy. Easy peasy. They just keep printing money. Whenever they keep going up and down like this, you guys should be taking money out, taking money out, taking money out, taking money out. It's literally they're giving you money. Every time they go up and down like that, over and over, repeating it, it's an ATM for you. Dot, 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 dot. We're getting a lot of junk mail today. And I have to forward this up. I have to get that set up. I knew I should have did that last night. I'm taking gold down to a blue line, says Tatiana. 15 minute. Let me take a look at it. Good morning, Ali. I'm holding SPX. NAS formed the double top M. Did NAS form a double top M? What time frame is he? Must be talking about 20 minutes. That would be correct. And you're in the money if you put it where you're supposed to put it, and you'd be up about 20 pips on that trade. Sell stop, US 30, 1 minute. Oh, well, technically. Oh my god. Well, I don't wanna get into that. Alright, let me take a look at gold. What is it? 15-minute gold blue line. Let's take a look. Dun, 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 dun. Gold 15 minute. Yeah, that the 15-minute gold called out when I first started this thing. What do you guys want? Pa-ta-pa-ta-pa. That's your 15-minute gold. How many times did I say it? Anyone but 30-minute gold sell stop too. And there it is. Is that close enough to the blue line? I don't yeah, that's pretty damn close. This is your sell on the gold. I'm positive I'm in the money. This is my gold right here. You there, right there, money. And now let it run. This is a sell stop to the blue line, 15-minute gold. How many people here heard me say this, by the way? Gold I called this 12 hours ago, wrote it out, typed it out, 15-minute blue line. Sell stop, 5-minute, 15-minute, sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. That's all. That US 30 is a buy, by the way. Here you go again. That gold one was perfect. I wouldn't keep it any longer, or if you opened up 2 or 3, lock one in and keep the others closed, take them out. Oh, 1-minute buy. 1-minute buy, 5-minute sell, 30-minute buy. NAS, you can't call a buy. 5-minute sell, 15-minute 15-minute, 30-minute buy. 1-minute sell. This is nice. 1-minute sell stop SPX. Ho, ho, ho. I'm gonna definitely take 1-minute sell stop SPX, 5-minute sell stop SPX, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop SPX. So do with that knowledge anything you want, and we'll wait. Which one is SPX 1 minute? No, it's US 30. Let's go up to SPX again. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, I like it. 1-minute sell stop SPX and just wait. You're bored out of your mind. I'm holding SPX. Please show your appreciation. Okay, so there we go. Now, I have to get the shaft. I verified the bank account, but I better double check on that. I swear to God, trying to get money out of YouTube, thing is crazy. They just keep coming up with one excuse after another. What? No, I validated that. I've already validated it. They're scared. Da, 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 da. rocket lawyer. No, no, no. Oh, I think we're getting somewhere. Supposedly they're gonna do it. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. All right. If you have any questions, TikTok, YouTube. Yes. Yes. Let me bring you over here. If you'd like to buy the system, it's located right here at thesafetytrade.com. It is all one word. You can also emails from there. I think Twitter, I think Facebook works once in a while. I know YouTube's working. I don't know. I think most of those things, TikTok is working now. You get alerts there, but they're horrific, although I did send them out today. I would just go over to YouTube channel and then do it there is what I would do. D, and that's it. That's how I look at it. Hey, I thought I yo, whoa, 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 whoa. I thought I updated the, logo. Hold on a second, guys. Do, do, do. Let me see. Where did my logo go? What is going on? Home? Ooh, 50%. That's bad. Attendant income. Da, 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 da. Email file. Oh, templates. No. Dot, dot, oh, dot, dot, dot. Sorry, give me 1 second, guys. Let's do this. I don't know. Which one is it? These two? Aha. There it is. And yes, there it is now. Yay, our updated logo. I'm so excited. I did that already. Anywho, but it should have that green arrow on the back, and it does now. Yay. Thank Chad, and I thank the gentleman on Fiverr who actually redid this one for me right here, and that's perfection. It's proper now. Red arrow down, green arrow up. Yay. Not a big deal to anyone, but to me it is. That was annoying to me. All right. Next, let's see. What's up, fly? To sky, fly out ski. No blue. The NAS form. No blue. No blue line. I don't know what we're talking about here. There's your sell stop again for SPX. I called that sell. There it is. This is the only true sell stop we had. 1 minute sell stop. SPX is in the money. You should close this trade out if you're 2 up. So you guys that are new, probably made 7, 8, 9, 10 correct trades on SPX if you're taking out 1, 2, 3 pips. Just take the money and run. This is a 1-minute sell stop SPX, 5-minute sell stop SPX. You're about to see NAS do the exact same thing. You're going to see, yep, there's NAS going down too. 5-minute sell stop. There it is. Here's SPX. And then let's see at US 30 will be probably late in following. 5-minute sell stop. Can't call a sell stop here. It's actually a 1-minute buy stop. 1-minute buy stop on SPX on US 30. Sorry, 1-minute buy stop on US 30, 5-minute sell stop in US. SPX is the money maker though. This is where everyone's getting their money. Look at it. 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute sell stop, and I do believe we're still going to get very close to this line or go past it on SPX. Just got to hang in there, have patience. What's gold doing? Oh, gold has touched this blue line. We have complete closure, 100% accuracy trade. Good job, Tatiana. I know you're happy. I took some money, Tatiana. Your Tatiana doesn't. You're the one who did the gold. Yeah, Tatiana said, I'm taking gold down to the blue line. Tatiana was just 100% correct. Tatiana made her money on gold. I literally called this out, gold here. This has been, I don't even know, 12 hours. I can go back to the video and show you. This is the last TikTok, the last YouTube video I made and TikTok. Gold was a 5-minute sell stop to 15-minute gold, 15-minute blue line. There it is. That trade is now complete. That trade is now complete. Everyone here, look at that. Matter of fact, screw that shit. I'm going over to YouTube. I'm going to show you that trade that was there. Where are my videos? Please. There they are. Live trading 99 watching, 257 views. La 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 la. I believe it's this one. And I got ads. I still hate ads on YouTube, but you love them when you're on the other side of those ads. Here we go. Here you go. This is the YouTube video. Let's take a look. This is the YouTube video, the very last YouTube video I made, the YouTube video of this. You will see right here on the YouTube video, right here, where I drew out, and there it is still to this day right now, hours later. Right here, gold says blah, 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 15-minute blue line. This is a 5-minute sell stop. I wrote it out in the previous, I typed it out in the previous YouTube video. Here's the previous YouTube video's name. It's the safety trade. Oh, I didn't go in there and rename it. And it has 82 thumbs up, but it was 100% called out. I believe even Kim called that one out too. So I'm sure Kim Harrington made some money on that too. So there it is. This is the call out. That's my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is over 430 videos on it. Every trade I've ever made last 8 months is on that YouTube video. Probably 9 months. I have no idea. I can't wait till it's a year and I'm just gonna say a year. This is it. And that's the call out. And that's what you're reaping the rewards out from. So when was this made? This video was made 16 hours ago. It took 16 hours for this trade to complete. This trade is 100% complete now. You can close down all or keep one open or keep two open, whatever you want to do. But you're 100% in the money now. This trade took 60. I called this correct trade out 16 hours before it happened. 16 hours. Just like now you're seeing US 30 going down. Watch it go down. There it goes. You're in the money. US 30 sells, just like NAS is going down, just like SPX is now going down. It just took a while. It just took a minute for this to kick in. But now you're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on US 30. Do you have to keep these open? No. You can sell them immediately. There's no need to keep them any longer open than you have to. Boom, there's your money. There it is on NAS. There's a shit ton on SPX. There's your shit ton. 16 hours this trade took. It was called out 16 hours ago. Tatiana, are you happy? I'm assuming she is. Gold hit the blue line. Thank you, Dennis. Yes, it did. Great call on the gold 15-minute blue line. Thank you, Ryan. Gold 15-minute chart, Dennis. Yes, I just checked it. There you go. There's your money. The blue and the logo. No blue and the logo. No blue. No blue. The blue and the logo. Yeah, we took the blue out. It's not correct. It's the green. We have new rules. Do 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 do. Look at that trade. 16 hours ahead of time that was called. 16 hours ahead of time. No, not the 15 minute. Tatiana, did you make money on gold? You said you were holding it. Did anyone else make money on gold? I called that gold 16 hours ago. I love everyone overlooks it. "Oh, good call on gold," and then they go right on to the next thing. Nope, we're pausing. Thanks, Kevin, 15-minute gold. Thank you for saying that. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Don. Nice on gold. God bless you and all of us who joined. I made money on gold. Thank you, Tatiana. And yes, this is our rules. The only rules that really matter. Remember this. And I don't want to have to keep bringing this up. This is what you do after you have a success trade or you see me do a successful trade. I don't want any of the things. I don't give a rat's ass, right? So we're all going to be thanking God, whether that's Muhammad, Jesus, flying spaghetti monster. We're going to thank God. We're always going to do good with our profits, and you're always going to have my back. Rule number 8. That's never changed. Actually, that's never changed. Always thank God after a successful trade. Always do good with your profits, and then always have my back. I always have yours. You always have mine. That's how it works. Da 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 dee da do. Da da dee da do. Right, you're used to the 15-minute riding. You're used to check it out. And let's see what we shall see. ERUSD is a 15. We'll take a look. See. Oh, thing of beauty. All right. Now this is ERUSD 15 minute. This is ERUSD sell stop 15 minute. Look at you, chef. That's a buy stop to the blue line. Again, I used to teach this all the time, but it goes over everybody's head and no one can pay attention to the word "the" when I'm speaking. Buy stop. Look at it to the blue line, you, chef. The complete opposite is ERUSD sell stop. Now, if we keep going forward, 15-minute sell stop. Let's see, you, chef. 15-minute buy stop. ERUSD sell stop. Let's see where it's going down to. He's saying the blue line. I'm gonna go ahead and say, "Looks good to me." Yep, past the 5-minute. There's the 15-minute. Now let's look at you, chef. Did we hit the 5-minute blue line? Yes, we did. Now we're gonna look at the 15-minute. It's way up there. Do you see it? That's how you play ERUSD. I don't think many knows that. I really haven't explained it to too many people. You can understand the power of opposites. This is by the way, this is a buy stop and this is a sell stop. You're about to see these flip around soon, but you gotta guide what you're doing on the smooth so they form first. So there it is. Look at this. I don't know how much easier I can make it. Chef is a buy, ERUSD is a sell. Hmm. One is hit its blue line, one has on the 5-minute, and then the 15-minute. Again, this is advanced. I understand that you're trading 2 symbols at once. But Team Lane, if you learn this, you will never make a mistake again, ever on ERUSD. You can't make a mistake because Chef, USDCHF is the opposite of it. All these 1-hour lines are being tested on the indices. What's up, Dr. McCain? I'm up money. Thank you, Kevin. How much money is that, Ya Gomez, Andrew, if I remember your name correctly? Yeah, that's all. So you guys learn the ERUSD, USD chef opposites, and you guys will all be rich. I can yet get someone to create an EA to trade for me on those. We'll try. We've had multiple tries. They just not doing. What's up, Dr. McCain? He's saying 1-hour indices. Let's take a look. See. 1 hour coming down towards. Yep, yep, coming down towards. Meaning coming down towards. It's going to switch. I think they're going to come down to the 4-hour. I might be wrong, but I think you might see a 4 because we've already seen too many 1-hour buy stops. I think we have not seen a 4-hour buy stop. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say we're gonna see a 4-hour buy stop. I think this has to drop a little bit more. I do. 1-minute sell stop US 30, you're in the money if you just took that trade. 1-minute sell stop, NAS 100, you're in the money if you took that trade. SPX is giving us a sell stop, but you're gonna have to wait on that. You're in the money on the 5-minute SPX sell stop. You're in the money on the NAS, and you're in the money on the US 30. I don't know I don't think we've had a bad trade this morning, thank God. 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute buy stop, US 30, 15-minute buy stop NAS, 30-minute buy stop SPX. Gold's already done its thing down to the 15-minute perfection. I mean, if you guys would only trade this trade, I wouldn't hear anybody whining about losses. "Oh, thing ate me up, XRP ate me" what are you talking about? There's no way in hell that this trade on XRP 15-minute to the blue line sell stop would live. Never. Can't, won't, never seen it in 3.5 years using the system. Sorry. Bullshit if he says it does. Thank Kevin for taking your time of your day to come on these lives. I am doing my damnedest to try and help you all make money. Doing my doggonedest to try to help you make money. Thanks. This hate would be a big drop to the 4 hour. That big drop. Yeah, it would be. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, Gomez for saying that. I will get the system. Awesome, debt free. Great decision. Debt free is going to be getting the system today. That sounds like a good win for him. Thanks for saying that. What was that? I thought someone wanted me to check something. Running TSD and Forex with native fire. It is. Oh, there want no opposites. So this is ERUSD, the most popular pair in the history of the world, is the complete opposite on higher time frames, meaning basically 5-minute, 15, definitely 15-minute, hourly up. It's complete opposites. So when you see a sell stop on ERUSD, UDSHF, you don't have to hear what I'm saying. Read what this changes to. USD CHF. Okay, a Switzerland thing. So that's all it is. It's just opposites. You remember SpongeBob opposite day? That's what this is. So whenever you see ERUSD, I'm trying to teach Team Lane that in order for you to know that this sell stop is absolutely going down, just go over to UDSHF and see if you see the opposite. Buy stop. So you damn well knew that this was gonna go up. So then I would only trade on Nadex, by the way, ERUSD. It's just so much better. I like it cleaner. Any rate, I know you can do both, but I like the ERUSD. And then boom, there it is, and that's your sell stop. And that's it. And if you see that UDSHF hasn't gone up and touched this blue line yet, hint, hint, then you can see ERUSD hasn't gone down and touched this blue line yet, hint, hint. It makes it a lot more secure for your knowledge of the trade. That's what I'm trying to help with all of you, but there you go. Kevin, can you look at EURG? I have used a number of other systems, hands down, safe trades. Yes, thank you, Jimmy Hustle. I agree with that. I've used probably 20, 30 other systems. They all suck ass. And safe trade is best. Thank you, Jimmy Hustle. Appreciate you speaking up without being asked. All right. Let's see. Hold on. Let me look at ERUGB. EURGBB. Here we go. Right here. 1 minute. Buy. Boo. Already been a sell stop. Not much I can do. 5 minutes must have been a higher sell stop. 5-minute, 15-minute, 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 30, 30, 1 hour. You want me to look at the 1 hour? Is that yes? 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah. It's a 30-minute, 1 hour buy. But I have a feeling it's also gonna come down to its blue line. Don't forget it's a buy stop on the daily. It is a weekly sell. I'm not even comfortable with the weekly sell. So EURGBB 1-minute sell to the 5-minute blue line. It just went down and touched it. Boop, there's the kiss. There's the kiss. There it is. Kiss, kiss. There it is. Boop, down. I don't know what else after that. Nothing. 15, 15, 15. Past it, 30, 30. I don't know if it's gonna hit the 15. It might. 30, 30 buy, 30 buy. It's a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. I enter it off to the 1 hour line is what I would do, but I still think it's gonna go further down actually because of the 4 hour. So that's EURGBB. What else you want me to do? Cool if I reach out and just on Nadex. Yep. We also have Nadex training videos here on YouTube. Just type in the safety trade and then Nadex. I think the last one I did was a while ago, a few months ago, but on that one, I made that $750 live, and everybody's impressed. I'm like, "Really? That's easy." Nadex is so easy. It's like a joke. Buy stop 1 minute US 30, sell stop 5 minute US 30, buy stop 30 minute US 30, NAS, 1 minute sell stop NAS, 5 minute sell stop NAS, 15-minute buy stop NAS, SPX, 1 minute sell stop S look at SPX leading the way, it never leads the way. Sell stop SPX, 1 minute, you already should be out of those trades. 5 minute sell stop, you should already be out of the trades if you're a beginner. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute buy stop SPX. So there you go. Everyone, when this thing shoots up later, "Oh, blah, 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 blah," they'll all forget about the sells. We make money on the way down, forming the higher time frames buys. And we make money on the buys. Chaos. I'm going for multiple. Tati, I'm curious how you call out places in advance. What? I'm so excited for today's meeting. You're welcome. Thanks. Welcome, Travis. Now I'm going for multiple K, multiple thousand. I'm curious, how do you call it out? Yeah, that's a very good question, Tatiana. How do I call out trades? Type them out, not just call them out, on top of, right, on hours and hours and hours and hours. Um, hold on. Right here. NAS, SPX. Let me pause this. I'll stop. Nope. And then up again. Hold on. Da, 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 da. This is what I wrote out 16 hours ago, is what Tatiana's talking about. 16 hours ago. You can see in this video, the very previous video, which I'll mark up. I haven't labeled it. I'm done here. Right here, where you can see gold, blah, 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 to the 15-minute line, sell stop to the 15-minute line. Literally, and this is the video right here. You can see the name of it right there. Safety traders thumbs up, 82 thumbs up, 256. 16 hours ago, I made that call. 16 hours ago, I said sell stop on gold. Wrote it out, typed it out for you. 16 hours ago. I don't think people are appreciating what they're seeing. I swear. You guys should sit back and think about things for a minute. I'm calling 1 minute trades, 5 minute trades, 15-minute trades to where it's going 16 hours before it happens. I couldn't make a correct call for 5 years. 1 out of 1,000 in 5 years, I'll make a correct call. Now I'm making correct calls 16 hours before they occur, typing them out. And actually, I drew that out too. Drew it out, typed it out. All trades are documented for the last 8 months. And yet I still have people, I don't know, maybe he's a space traveling alien that's time traveling. No, it's just a good system that you can learn to do it too, just like Tatiana's about to learn at 1 today. That's all. AJ. Oh, really? Kevin Heather says, "I appreciate all of it." But Kev, did you ever think in your wildest dreams that you'd see someone calling trades out 16 hours before they'd happen? Because I never freaking thought of it. Ever, 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 ever. Here we sit on the ball all the time. What's up, Monique? My husband and I, financial freedom. I will do my absolute best, Tatiana. It's just crazy though. Um, I write it out in my little write-ups on my YouTubes, but man, you guys need to sit back and chill and just say, "Hey, how is this mofo trying to, or how is he actually making these calls 16 hours before they happen?" It's insanity. I don't think everyone's sitting here appreciating what they're saying. I want the next one. What's gold? What's XRP? What's Bitcoin gonna do? Dude, I just called out a trade for you that worked out perfectly 16 hours before it happened on a 15-minute chart. and all morning long, by the way, we're calling this. Wild, Jack. Good morning, Jay Cochran. Hey, did you take that gold trade last night? No, because 'cause he'd be saying dollar signs if he did. When Dave J Cochran puts up dollar signs, he's done for the day and he's made money. Let's see how it goes for him. D nice says, "I appreciate everything about this." Okay. This it's just wild to me that trades can be called out 16 hours ahead of time. You know what I'd like to see? I was telling Bree, well, A, I'd like them to not do anything and just leave us alone so we can keep doing this. But one day, I would really like to see a TV show where we're up there making these calls live and they happen and, like, people are cheering. Wouldn't that be wild to have hundreds and thousands of millions of people making money all at one time? I think it'd be so much fun. I would think that'd be the wildest thing, and it'd be like, "Oh, and Kevin's well, the system called that out and da 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 da," and people would be cheering and screaming. I just think that'd be freaking wild. But anywho, it probably never will happen. I'm assuming the first $10,000,000 gets it, so I'm assuming eventually one of these houses are taking too long or they really need to jump on this. But eventually, they'll, you'll see it. Either out or it's gonna be taught in the history books, I'll tell you that. You're the Cristiano Ronaldo of trading. Thanks. He's a great soccer player. Well, I don't know about I don't wanna say thanks. The system I created is the system that I created only with God's help. That's it. God gets all the glory. God gets all the credit. I take nothing for this. Oh, you're egotistic. I don't even show my own face. How many times? Only on certain videos, only because people were copying me too much, I put my own face out there. I hate being public like this. I don't want any recognition for this. I'm not on here. You don't see a camera pointed at my face saying, "Oh, look at this, look at this, look at me, look at me." You don't see a camera on me. I don't want any of this acknowledgement. I give God the glory, and I give the system I created only because of God's inspiration, period. End of story. "Oh, he's egotistical." No, no, the fuck I'm not. I don't want any part of it. I always tell you to give thanks to God, give thanks to the system, give thanks to Bree. And again, God made the system, so through me, I'm gonna go ahead and give him credit, and then Bree, because there's no way I'd be here without her. You guys think or I would be here probably once a week? Maybe, but the freak I'd be here every day, Monday through Friday trading with you guys, I wouldn't do it. It's only because of Bree. She handles all the stupid emails that you guys send, just stop those things. If it's in your form you get called the type form with videos, you ask that question and Bree answers that, she just it drives me nuts. I just wanna block it, one of you. I wanna ban every one of you. That's not true. 9 out of 10 of you are great, but those 1 or 2 out of 10 that aren't, oh my god, you gotta quit asking question after question. It's all ty it's literally in a type form typed out for you, and then it's in a video. Lordy. But yeah, without Bree, I wouldn't be here, I'll tell you that. Not doing it this heavy yesterday, I would not be doing it. Not. Never. I might not be doing it at all, to be quite with Bree's help, because she handles all that BS. Thank God. Yep. It'll be a documentary on how the FX got killed. Yeah, Kev, Kev said that Jimmy else could do it. I don't know how to make a TV show. Documentary on FX. Yeah. This broke. Literally what you're watching right now is history. What you guys are a part of is the system has literally figured out what they do. So what's happening right now is you're seeing where either 2 things are gonna happen. I don't think there's a lot of guys when I train them, a lot of guys email me, Kevin and Kim, is this. You they're either going to buy up the system and shelve it, okay? So they're gonna come in and I'll grandfather you guys in so you can still trade. You're gonna come in and buy and show because they can't let it go. If there's a few people, a few ladies and gentlemen out there that thought this through and they go, "Hey, Kev, you broke the system. You know where it's gonna go before it happens. You broke their a so that means a $7 trillion a day business in Forex and trillions of dollars a day in your stock market, it's been voided. Sooner or later, it isn't gonna be Jay Cochran's making hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, and Goros making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and me making tens of thousands of dollars a day. Somebody probably from the UAE is gonna get a hold of this system. They're gonna be trading billions of dollars a day, making billions of dollars a day trading. They can't have it. They have all of us losing 99%, so either they're gonna buy it and shelve it, or they're going to, which I'm more than willing to sell. I'm more than willing to sell $10 million, first $10 million, or they can't allow this continue. They cannot allow this continue. So one way or the other, they're either gonna be taking out me and all of us that are involved with this, I'm just throwing it out there to you, or they're going to buy it and shelve it. They can't allow this to continue. Think it through. They're not gonna give up a $7 trillion day business. People have been killed for a lot less than that, and people have been bought out for a lot less than that. And the first 10 mil gets it. I don't care if it's from an individual, a person. I don't care if it's from, uh, Vanguard. I don't care if it's from BlackRock. I don't care if it's from whoever. First 10 mil gets the system, you do with it what you want. I don't care. But unless they get a hold of this quickly, the genie's getting out of the bottle. I have hundreds and thousands of people on this thing. They better get on it. They should have never let it get as big as it has. Let's see. Either Forex got killed or, we all do. Steve, they wish that you'd so quickly. They haven't done anything. I would say they will change past everything. There's no benefit to all people. Good morning, Kev. Never mind. Good morning, Kev. If I can make 12 mil, I'll outbid. Uh, I don't care. I'm not even take bidding. First 10 mil. Appreciate it. Thank God for bringing you all my life to teach me this. Lenny Kruger, amen. Kim Bernard, good morning. Good morning, Kim. Good morning. Kevin. So what do you see SPX would now? I'll go over it again. Sorry if I meant to say gold, not SPX. Oh, gold? Here at this point, I already did what I was supposed to do. Kim, we appreciate you both tapping in and new. McCain, I agree with Kevin. Sandro, XRP, uh, XRP, 15-minute sell stop. Is this correct? Fyowski, Fly, two, how many people use that program now? Hundreds. Well, illegally, I guarantee we got to be in the thousands. I'm pushing a good number. I'm pushing almost over 1,000. We have another 1,000 alerts. We have probably another. There's probably about 2 to 3,000 people using it. Oh yeah, me myself, I have well over 500. We're actually pushing 1,000 on ours. And we got the scanners and we got other people doing other things at this point. So yes, that's where we're at. All right, what's some XRP 50 minutes? XRP real XRP what? Sell stop? No, that's not correct. It was. XRP was called out this morning, 5-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. XRP was a 5-minute sell stop there, and it did. That's just what it did. Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. What did I tell you it was due? There's a 1-minute sell stop, but I told you before this fell. Why is no one giving me credit for this shit? Let's look. 15-minute sell stop. It was a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. It hit the blue line. What was Ethereum? Ethereum. Has it hit the blue line? Whoa, where's Ethereum? 5-minute. So there's your 5-minute to the blue line Ethereum. 5-minute. I knew it was there. There it is. 5-minute sell stop to the blue line. There it went. Correctly called Bitcoin this morning, correctly called gold last night, correctly called Ethereum this morning, correctly called XRP this morning, correctly called multiple times SPX this morning, correctly called NAS this morning, correctly called multiple times NAS and US 30 this morning. Let me check US oil. I don't know. Nope, there it is. Correctly called US oil this morning. Correctly called ERUSD, by the way, this morning. There it is. There he goes. There it is. There it is, almost touching his blue line. There's the sell stop. Hmm. Correctly called, correctly called, correctly called. UDCHEF, ERUSD, USD, GBP, oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, gold, SPX, NAS, and US30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different symbols I called out correctly. And this is before market open. And some of these, like gold, were called 16 hours ago. Boop, there it is. Don't care about gold. What more do you want from me? Gold, gold, gold. 30-minute sell stop to the blue line. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. 4-hour buy stop gold. There you go. You want gold? There's gold. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, we just go out and just there's more people. We got that other Adrian's brokerage house we're working with now. He's sending over 10, 15, 20 people all the time. And then we got ours. We got other people selling for us now. It's doing really, really. I want you to know how you don't with no charts. A document. I want to know how you don't with no charts. I have charts. What are you looking at? Do it. Not don't. I want how you do it with no. I'm not following there, Jimmy. I'm sorry. Good morning, Oracle Kev. Thank you for your calls. You're welcome. Howdy, y'all. Kev US 30 sells. US 30 what? 1 minute. Buy stop. 5-minute sell stop. 15-minute. I've been calling this out 3,000 times. I mean, it's 30-minute buy stop. You have a 5-minute sell stop in US 30. NAS. 1-minute sell stop. 1-minute sell stop. 1-minute sell stop on NAS. Fudge. Watch it go down. Here goes SPX. I bet you 1,000,000 to 1 it's going down. Yep. There's your SPX sell stops. Boom, baby. How much before we get market open here? Look at that shit. In the money. Damn, that NAS 1-minute sell stop should have been at least here. You guys should be up 8, 10 pips. Let me see where I'm at on my sells. Hold on. In the money, 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 in the money. Money. Who's in the money? Who's in money? Who's in the money? Da 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 da. I'm in all the money. In the money on my gold, in the money on my SPX sell, in the money on my um uh all of them. I mean, what do you want? Sell, sells SPX, sell NAS, sell US 30, sell gold, all in the money. And I still have long-term buys. I still have long-term buys in place on US 30s. You have to forgive me if I missed this. Is SPX going to 5-minute blue line? Tatiana, for SPX, you're taking it down the blue line via the 15-minute. SPX? That doesn't sound right at all. That would be backwards on that, Tatiana. Oracle FX. That's what's his face. He always wants me to change it to 1 minute. Sell stop. 5-minute. 15-minute. Not via 15. No, that's incorrect. This is an actual 30-minute buy stop on SPX. Do I think it's gonna go down to the 5-minute? Yeah, it's gonna have a really good shot at getting much closer than that, but always be ready for your buy stops. 1-minute buy stops, 5 minutes sell. Yeah, I agree with those. I could take off the 1 minute, I guess. Hold on. No, that's still a buy. This is a sell. 1 minute sell, 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 sell. Sell stop 1 minute US 30. Sell stop. Yeah, 10 minutes to market open. Yay. Probably not gonna stay much longer than about 10:30 today. I got too much to do. Where'd my little mouse go? What was asked the questions? Michael, forgive me if I missed it. SPX to the blue line. Let's see. Why is everyone keeps asking this question? Not everything is a blue line trade until one hits it. We haven't had one hit it. Do I believe it's going to the blue line? Yes. That's just my beliefs. 1 minute sell stops across the board. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna change this one. Really? All right, before market open, let's change this one out one more time. Boop, 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 boop. Can't believe we have to keep up with all. Alright, here we go. No, we'll type it here. Well, all 3, 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop, somewhere in a range of 30-minute, but these are buy stop. And that's what you got. But as I type it out, of course, it goes down because that's just what happens evidently. There you go. So you're in the money a shit ton on your SPXs. SPX sell stops are all in all kinds of money. Your NASs are all in the money too, by the way. It's another sell stop on NAS. Can I get it back? Or no, it doesn't matter. US 30. You're in the money on the US 30 I just placed for you. You're in the money about 6, 7 pips. You can get out of that trade if you like. Sell stop NAS, sell stop I don't know what to tell you. That's what they got. Now, at open, what I would like it to do, well, it all depends. I would really, if you're really pushing me on this one, let me get rid of this because it's old. Let me put this over here. Ho, ho, ho. This gold trade true from 16 hours ago. Boop, 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 boop. You're in the money on your US 31-minute sell. So, if you guys would like to know what I'd like this to do, if it's gonna be fun, I'd really like it open for everything to drop down further. So, I'd like to see this. I'd like zoop like this, and then see it go zoop like so I'd really like it to drop down hard, pretty far, because that can give us a lot of money on our buys, and that's why I wanna see that, right? And this is this, this is this, this is this, this is this, this is this. Alright. So, market's about to open here in a few minutes. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute sell, 5 minute sell, US 30, 30-minute buy. It's exactly what I said. I'm not repeating it. All 3 of these are that. There you go. Take that to the bank or don't. I don't care. It's up to you. And all the previous ones from the previous day came true also from last night, 16 hours ago. What's up, Keith? Thank you, Keith. Appreciate the energy. I'm a little low energy this morning, although I did get some sleep. Keith, the man, the myth, and the legend behind our scanner, along with Spidey. Yep. See, Team Laney's correct. When you do Nadex, you don't try to go all profit. You just take that money and get the hell out. If I'm in the money, say $46 and I get to $26, yeah, I'm good. How close did it get? Oh, yeah, that's close enough. Hell yeah. And then so he probably cashed out and he had like 10 more dollars on the table. He'll cash out. Say he makes $30 per contract instead of 40, let's say, Team Laney does. So if they make Team Laney makes $30 per contract instead of 40, he just cashed out. You're allowed to cash out your options early in Nadex. Say he bought 10 of them, that's $300. Say he bought 50 of them, that's $1,500. He just made today. Easy peasy money, and that's really close. That is I always say horseshoes and eights. That's freaking close enough to me. Yeah, that's real close. That's but it is the exact same trade if I was on them. No need to hold it. Why hold it? Why care? The market open, it can do anything it wants to. Get out of there. Take that money and run. Easy to take money and run. Look at how much money. You guys are all in the money on this trade, at least 10 pips. On the earlier ones up here, you're in 20 something pips. Look, you're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your NAS, sell stop. You've been in hella money on your SPX. I can't even believe no one's is. All the beginners should have made so much money. You should have made like 10 correct trades this morning. And if you kept one open, for sure keep it open. Just lock it in profit. Because when the market opens here, it can go haywire. It really hasn't been too much. I expect it's probably you're gonna so again, I'm praying it shoots down for a while. I hope it just keeps skyrocketing down. Where are we at in a 5 minute? Oh yeah. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, that'd be nice. Oh, that'd be nice. Cashed out at 180. Nice team lane. Gee, Tracy. Oh, I'm sorry, Tracy. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't call you he. I'm so sorry. Please don't apologize. I'm sorry about that. Remember that. Team lane. Tracy. Tracy, she cashed out. Congratulations, Tracy. Yay. Perhaps Tracy can give us all a little her take on the training for us maybe one day on our Monday class that we do at 4 in the afternoon if she wants. That'd be awesome. We can have her as a guest trainer. Look at that go down. Woohoo! Woohoo! Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in hope I didn't hit that. Oh. Market open at 3, and I still have long-term buys on US 30. As it's going down, I still have long-term buys. What's up? All the way from South Africa. Love confidence. That's one word for it. What country are you from? I am from the United States of America, right outside of Atlanta. From originally from Ohio. Ohio. Actually, I'm originally from Moline, Ohio. I know what you mean. Nice job, Team Lane. And I'll go over that again for you. Okay? If you're in the money, make sure you lock it in. I have currently long-term buys in place, but we're currently in 1 minute sell stops. You're in 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stops. Fully expecting this to um, come down for a little bit like it already has, and then you'll see the rise 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. Remember what we're looking at right here? If you don't want to play the market open, don't. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop, 30-minute buy stop. That's what we have open right now. Already made a shit ton of money on these sells. I mean a shit ton. Here comes by the way, is there any calls I can make on gold? Sell stop on gold 1 minute, 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop on gold. It's a 4 hour buy stop, 1 minute sell stop on gold. Bitcoin, I've already called out. I'm doing it. Sell. Look at your I just called that just 2 seconds ago, and there it is. US oil. Let's see if we can get that up to the blue line. Not likely. Mm, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, US oil, 5 minute sell stop, US oil. 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop, US oil, daily sell stop, US oil. Weekly buy stop, US oil. ERUSD, we've already had our fun with. We've already made so much money. Tracy made a shit ton. She's good. I mean, look at the sell stuff. You can't miss any rate, and I still expect it to go down and touch this blue line clearly even more than it did, but so what if it does, doesn't? And then that's a 50. So 1 minute sell, and this is a 1 hour buy on ERUSD. Let's head on back to home base. Boom, US 30. There you go. 1 minute sell, stop US 30. 1 minute sell, stop US 30. 30-minute buy, stop US 30. Can't call NAS. It's already in. You're either in NAS or not. SPX 1 minute sell stop. Market open, market open, market open, market open. Have fun, make some money. Make some money. Let's make some money. Sell stop, 1 minute, US 30. Buy stop, 30-minute, SPX. Oh, look at Nas. There goes Nas. Who's in the money on Nas? Fuck yeah. Nas is in the money. Nas is in the money. Sell it. Get out of it. Don't stay any longer than you have to. You just made a shit ton on Nas sell. You're up 20 pips on Nas. Sell it. Get out of the trade. Dot, dot, dot. Who's in the money? Dotty, dot, dot. Look at that. US 30. 1 minute sell stop US 30. Let me see the 5. 1 minute US sell stop US 30. 30-minute buy stop. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 30-minute buy. Dot, dot, dot. D, 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 d dot, D, dot, D, D. Who made that money on that NAS? Holy crap. Come on down. Can you go a little further, though? A little further? A little further? Dot, dot, dot. Can we go a little can we get a little further? Oh, looky there. Looks like somebody's in a lot of money on their NAS sell stops. NAS sell stop in the money. Close them out unless you open up more than one, then keep one open. You're in the money on your US 30 sell stop. You're in the money on your NAS sell stop. You're in the money. You can't get out of the money on your SPX. SPX is in the money. You made your money on NAS. You just made your money on US 30. Was that thank you, system? Thank you, God. Thank you, system. Thank you, Bree. Yep, you're welcome. You're welcome. Woohoo. Bop, 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 bop. What's up, Jamie? Just bought the program. Oh, you did? Congratulations. Kev, is your Bitcoin daily above or below the blue line? Really get into that right now with the daily itself, it's below the blue line. Bitcoin below. Look, you're in the money. Look at that money you're making on US 30. Jay Cochran's throwing up the dollar signs. Hey, give me a little bit of money. Is it over or under 50,000? Boom, baby. Who's in the money on sell on US 30? Who's in the money on the you can't help but be in the money on the SPX. Who's in the money on the NAS? Take all your money and run, close those trades on. Are you kidding me? The minimum you should be up would have been 20 pips on US 30. The minimum you would be up is 20 pips on US 30. What am I up? Let's see. We shall see. Da 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 da. Look at it go down. Look at it go down. Who's in the money? And I still have long-term buys on US 30 to be clear. Who's in the money? $200, $222, $232, 220, 222, 75, 57, 57, 68. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? Da 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 da. $217. Take the money off. Take the money off. Sell stop again. Whoa. Look at the NAS. Look at US 30. Ho, 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 ho. We're about to make some more money. If I can get my damn order in before things happen. Sell stop, US 31 minute. Buy stop, NAS, sell stop, all three indices, 1 minute, and all three indices buys. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. You're in the money. You're about to be in the money again. You're in the money again on SPX. You can't help it. It won't go up high enough to come out. You're about to be in the money again on NAS 100. You're already in the money again on NAS 100. You're already in the look at that money you're in on US 30 sell stop. Bingo. Boppo. Bingo. Oh, who has the money? We're up $280, $280, $270, $280, $280. Oh my god. Look at that money. $258. Sell $14, $14, $14. Oh, look at that money. Sell it. Get out. If you got greedy with NAS, you could have lost money. You're up 30 pips on NAS. We're in all holy. Yeah, it's gonna keep going down. No, it isn't. We don't know. And you made money again on that last one. You should have sold out. You made another 10. Sell stop, NAS 100, 1 minute. Sell stop, NAS 100, 1 minute. 30-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy stop, NAS 100, 30-minute buy stop, NAS 100, 30-minute buy stop, NAS and 30-minute across the board on all, by the way. Look at that US 30. I don't know about SPX. I don't think SPX is gonna do it. SPX 1-minute sell going back up to its 5-minute blue line, 5-minute red line, sorry. 15-minute, 30-minute. 30-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop, SPX, NAS, uh, 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 oh, I'm gonna go ahead and say we're in the money again. 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop. Where that's precious, dot, 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 deep, dot, deep, dot, 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 dot. Precious is, good morning, baby. Dot, 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 dot. Alright, guys, everybody making a little money this morning? Everybody making a little money? Good morning. Everyone making a little money? Alright. Oh, well, in my buys left about Tatiana, team lane holding now for buy stop US 30. I caught in SPXL, should have profits. Yep, need to secure your profits. Good morning, sunshines. Good morning, Precious. Precious, can you check to see if you can see on TikTok, please? Buy stop in the money on your NAS now. Buy stop approaching on SPX, and not so much here. Hold on, let's see what we're doing. 1-minute sell stop, 1-minute sell, hold on, let me grab this real 1-minute sell, US 30, 5-minute, 1-minute sell US 30, 30-minute, 1-hour buy, 30-minute, 1-hour buy US 30, 30-minute, 1-hour buy US 30. And don't forget I'm in long-term buys as I was telling you that as it was happening. Dude, oh, you were in the money on NAS. You're in the money on your NAS buys? You're in the money on your NAS buys. Please say everyone took those by again, I drew this down. I said, "Hey, I really hope we get a nice pull down for us and open, and then it arches back up." Not quite as down as I wanted. That's close. I mean, it's pretty good. It's alright. It's not the greatest. It was okay. I'd preferred a little bigger pull down. And then back up. Can we get that back up now? I think so. We'll see. But in the meantime, 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop, NAS. 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop NAS. 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop US 30. And it's all written out. I have it right here in front of you. I can 1-minute, 5-minute SPX sell stop. So these are still all valid, actually. These are all correct still. And then the 30-minute buy stops are one's a 15 minute, whatever. Candle Envy, yes. Woohoo! Good morning, Candle Envy. Good morning, Kim again. Good morning, Bree. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Okay, texting on this old phone is horrible. Are you doing this, my precious? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Alright, let's see. We have sell stop in place, 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop in place, SPX, 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop in place, NAS, 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute sell stop in place, US 30. Oh, shit. You guys just made a shit ton of money again on US 30. Did that just happen? Oh, that was earlier, that was earlier, that was earlier. You're in the money again, though. You're in the money again on your US 30 sell stops again. You're up 15, 20 pips. Please close them down. Take your money out. There's no need to stay in the trade any longer than you are. Again, if you're making 20, 30 pips on a trade, professionals make 10. So just remember that. Do 30-minute buy, 15-minute buy. Yeah. Either way, you're in a lot of money. You're in really good money. A dash. Ugh. Hit the thumbs up. Thank you. I haven't even looked. Is it really bad over there? Let's see. 92 and 106 watches. Oh, I can live with that. That's cool. That. Praise Jesus. Amen to that. Do you think God breathed you? No. Okay. Just bought your program. Kev's your Bitcoin line below. It is. How do you? It's thumbs up. Good morning, Bree. Good morning. Awesome, Bree. I agree with that. Good morning, awesome, Bree. All right. Money is being handed out this morning as it was all morning. It was a slow morning and it was kind of annoying how slow it was, but we made money. It just was slow. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute sell stop US 30. 30-minute buy stop US 30. So if you don't like 1 minute, 5 minute plays, play uh you have you're in the money. There's nothing you can do about it. So Naz, I can't call it again. It's not ready. You should already be in your 5 minute, well, your 15-minute buy stops. You're already in, you made money. And it's still a 5-minute sell stop, by the way. 5-minute sell stop for Naz, 5-minute sell stop for your 35-minute sell stop for yep, filling the gap sell stop, by the way. But you still have your 30-minute, 1 hour buy stops available. Might wanna keep an eye on those 1 hour, 30-minute buy stops, and just be patient. Everyone hates patience. That's what it is. Good morning, awesome Bree. Bree. Okay, does anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube or anything like that? Might have to go on TikTok just for a minute here. Yep. Okay. I'll be right back. Give me just 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go mute for just a second here. Okay, I'm back. Did I miss anything? Whew. All right. Sorry about that. I had to take care of a little business. All right. Let me get back on TikTok. Okay, when I text things, I'm terrible when I type this shit out. I need to swipe. Okay. All right, let me get back on TikTok. And then someone's at our door. All right, I'll be live on TikTok here in just a second. And I'm expecting one more delivery too, actually. Team Lane, $256 on chips. Awesome. Congratulations. This is my live, right? Tatiana, oh, well, I'm in my buys. I got caught in. Let's go over that too. Yes, woohoo. Good morning, Kevin Bri. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Candle Envy. Good morning, D Nice. Just got another 76 on US 30 buy stops. Nice, Team Lane. Congratulations, Tracy. Higher time frame trades are king, Metal Mind says. They are, but just, yeah, be careful with those. Up 250,000, two trades on natives. Awesome job, Team Lane. Thank God. Yes, yes, ma'am. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim. Kim, did you call out that gold trade like I did on that 15-minute blue line? And by the way, 5-minute, these are still 5-minute sell stops, NAS, still 5-minute sell stop, SPX, still 5-minute sell stop to the, there we go. There it goes. Watch. Watch where this is going. I said that. I said SPX would be first, didn't I? Oh shit. It's gonna be NAS to the blue line first. Watch. Boom, baby. Watch. Just watch and see. But the gold, Kim, did you call the gold last night when we were doing it to the blue line on the 15-minute? This one down here? That one? That's the one that we called out 16 hours ago. I just didn't remember if you had called it too that night. I don't remember. I thought you were on. All right. Here we go. There you go. Totally. I mean, that's some on your SPXs, for instance, right here. I mean, that is just the thing of beauty. It went right up. There's your sell stop down. For about the 10th time this morning, you're up 4 or 5 pips. Close down 3, keep one open. Easy peasy sell stop filling the gap on SPX. That sell stop was, yeah, and there is, see, those are the 2 I put down for your NASs right here. Again, you're up about 20, 30 pip on NAS on that sell stop. Just take look at that US 30. The US 30 not only was called out, I wrote out, drew it out, and put them in orders in myself. You're up 30 pips. On those trades right there, you're up, hold on. So you're up 70, 80, 90, 100, 120. I mean, dudes, I don't know how much money, and you're up a good bit above that too. So there's your US 30 in the money. Remember, they always form 1 minute, 5-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. So the 1 minute's first, 5 minutes first, 30 minutes for, then so on and forth, and then the 1 hour. Look at that money. Then the gold. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yep. Where was Bitcoin going down to? Remember, to the 15-minute. There it hit the 15-minute blue line. Is it gonna hit its 30? It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. And then Bitcoin further out is now a 4-hour, I told you it was gonna turn into a 4-hour buy stop, and it is. I wouldn't even mind if it goes all the way down to the daily right here and turns into a daily buy stop. That would be beautiful for Bitcoin. That's just stretching it, though. I don't think it's gonna do that. Ethereum, it's going down to touch its blue line down there, but it already hit its 5-minute, right? Yeah. See, Ethereum already hit its 5-minute blue line on the sell stop, so that's perfection. XRP, same way, sell stop. Oil, sell stop 1 minute again. We just called that one. Oh, I was trying to get it to the blue line. Yeah, take it. You can still take oil time. 5 minute sell stop though. 15. Let me put on the ERUSD real quick. Oh, it touched it. Team Laney, Tracy, it touched it. There it is. Not that you need any more money, but that is the touch. That's see, that's an official touch. That's a thing of beauty right there. But it was close enough. I would trade the exact same way she did. Just take that money and run. Take it and run. When you're in profit on your binary options, on your Nadex options, just take that money and run. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop. What is this? SPX. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute sell stop. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute buy stop. If you want to place it right above wherever that peaked up right there, just put it right up there. Yeah, put it right up there. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. If you want to take those buys, just be patient, let them develop. Don't rush in. NAS. Already was the 1 minute sell, 1 minute sell again, 5 minute sell, 5 minute sell on NAS, 1 minute, 5 minute sell on NAS, 15 minute nothing. Well, it's a buy, but it's 30 minutes. The 30-minute buy stop. Again, if you're placing it here and you're up 20, 30 pips multiple times, you haven't taken your money out of that trade. Well, I don't know what to tell you other than you're being greedy. 4 hour daily nothing. Fill in the gap actually. US 30. 1 minute sell stop again after doing it again and again and again and again. 1 minute sell, 5 minute sell again, again and again and again. This is for the third time. You've already made 36 pips once. You've already made 40 pips once. So whatever. 15, 30, 30, 30. Is this 1 hour? No, 30. 30-minute buy stop, US 30. Again, you have to be patient on those trades. They're not going to happen in a minute. Well, hell, they might happen in a minute. I don't know, but whatever. 1 minute sell stop, US 30, just like before. 5 minute, 15-minute. No, I think this might be the breakup, though. This might be the breakup. Let's see. That's it. So that and I still stand by all those trades. You made money on the 1 minute sells multiple times. You made money on the 5 minute sells multiple times, and you even made money on some of these 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buys, and how early you got in. I'm still in long-term buys for US 30, by the way, long-term buys. All right. I think you called it. I was waiting on the news last night, in the buy last night. Obviously, I'm still waiting. Oh, yeah. No, yeah, I did call that then. Yeah, absolutely. I thought you did too, though. 5 minutes sell stop. Crude just made 150 pips sneak up. Oh, the oil? Let's see. Which one? 5 minute crude. Oh, well, I fully plan on that crude oil going up and touching this blue line. If that's what you played, I don't know. Green is money in my pockets, says Tina. It means if I claim it. That's exactly right. Gold is a 4-hour buy now. Let's take a look at that for you. 4-hour buy. Yeah, absolutely. It's a beautiful 4-hour buy too. It just had to do that little pull down to the blue line. That's all. And once it does that, I mean, will it keep going to the 30-minute? Yeah, to me, it's pretty strong. That's a nice little 30-minute too, so I can see that going down to the then you're that's when you're gonna see that 1 hour, 4 hour, that 4-hour buy stop kick in the ass. Oh, new 4-hour candle in 5 minutes? What time is it? Look, okay. I really have to update this phone. Ooh, wow. Here we go. Yeah, I thought that was about time for it to move. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, SPX. Also, and of course, the US 30. Let me see the US 35 minute, 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. So if you're entering in off of the 30-minute, you're back. Let me zoom in for you. So if you're entering off the 30-minute US 30-minute, that's not easy, is it? You're absolutely, depending on where you put your entrance at, you're absolutely in the money 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. Again, this is how it looks like when you're zoomed in. Look at this. This is your green, 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 red, green, green. Everybody can learn the trade. Just buy, stop, poof, there it goes. And there's your money. That's all. Again, if you're trying to hold that, I'm in it long term, but you don't have to be. I'm in this, have been in this for 2.5, 3 weeks now. It'll be 3 weeks Wednesday. And there it is again. And there it is again. There it is again. I mean, what? I mean, just easy. Now, if you're gonna stay in it now, I'd be very leery. Remember, um, what is a minute sell 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop still on US 30. So, yes, you're making money on the buy stops. Yes, you got hooked in. Make your money 20 to 30 pips and get the hell out. Or if you opened up 2, move the other one to break even and get the hell out, whichever. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy. Yeah, 30-minute, 1 hour. But again, this is still a 5-minute sell stop on US 30. And I still think we're rolling on down to that freaking blue line on our NASs and our SPXs. SPX 1-minute sell stop. SPX is a 1-minute sell stop. Actually, a 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop. Yeah. That's so remember, they always form an order. They always form an order. 1 minute first, 5 minutes, and then 30 minutes. There it is. You're in the money on your SPX again on a sell stop. You're in the money again on your NAS again. Take look at jerk all around. Again, just take your money. There's no need to be greedy in any of this shit we're doing. Just take the money, get out. That's all. Still a sell US 31 minute, 5-minute. I don't give a fuck. Let it jerk all around once. NAS, you already made even more money again. These are the last 2 times in. You're up 20, 30 pips each time. I'm to make that money. This is your SPX. You're in the money again on your SPX. When it dips like this, 2 or 3 pips, you're supposed to be out after 1 or 2. You've made money on that trade. You've made money on the US 30. I don't give a fuck what it's doing. It's gonna come down, and yes, it did. You're in the money again. There it is. We can watch this for a minute if you want. Go down, and then look at your NAS. Yep, there you go. And then there's your SPX. Right? This is your down play. Now, if we can get another nice big push up, we'll take that up again. But again, as I was pointing out to the US 30, when you're up 20, 30, 40 pips on a trade, close them down. Move, if you have 4 moves, close 3, move 1 to break even, and close it off. Look at the money you're making on SPX. Drop it before your very eyes again. And going down. Yeah, it's beautiful on your 1-minute. And let me see over here. Just wait. I'm telling you. Get your money. Make it now. Up 22. That's good. How we trade. Put your stuff up here again, please. US 30, please. Morning, Danny. Ooh, Dennis. 150 pips. Wow, great job, Dennis. Gold is a 4-hour buy now. Yep. Awesome job, Dennis. I'm sorry if I missed that. All right. Watching paint dry again. Sell stop NAS 1 minute. Sell stop NAS 5 minutes. A little low. You want this to come arch up again and then come back down. You just made 30 pips. 15, 30-minute. 30-minute buy stop NAS. 30-minute buy stop SPX. Is it a 1 hour? Nope. 30-minute buy stop. You be patient on those longer term ones. See back, trade it a little bit and just wait. That's what you have to do. You make your money and sell and get the profit. You can make money on the buys, you can make money on the sells. This whole time they're making that bullshit consolidation thing go back and forth. You have 1-minute buys, you have 5-minute sells. Make your money. Keep holding. These aren't hold and forever, and when you're up, you're 5, 10 pips on, NAS. When you're up 10, 15, 20 pips on US 30. When you're up 1 or 2 pips on your SPX, take the money out. So right here, right now, when you see this US 30, okay, and if it goes down again for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 15th time, take the money out of the trade. You don't have to keep it open. Is a 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop. If this goes below the 5-minute sell stop line, get in the trade again and take the money. If it doesn't and keeps going up, you're already gonna be in the money and it's on your buys. Same here. This is a 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop on NAS. 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop on NAS. This is 1-minute, 5-minute on SPX. And when it goes now SPX, there's no excuse for. Every time this has gone under, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5. Hell, 10 pips. You're supposed to be taking profit out on 1 minute, 1 to 2, 3, 4 pips. That's what you're supposed to. US 30, don't forget, we still have open 30-minute buy stop, and just wait. So if you want those buy stops, you sit there and wait. Sit there and wait. There's nothing else you can do. Just wait right here. 30-minute buy, and just put your stop loss below here, and you wait. If you have a stop loss, it's gonna be, yeah, about 20, 30 pips on as if you have a stop loss on SPX, won't be quite as bad, maybe about 8, 10 pips. That's why everyone learns on NAS. Buy stop NAS, 30-minute buy stop, and just wait. If you wanna play those downs, they're 1-minute, 5-minute sell stops off the 5-minute line sell. Oh, what fun. What time is it? In the past year, Kevin says. I have to log off. Tatiana, time for work. Thank you. I'm very yay, Tatiana. Have a great day at work. And I will see you and everybody there at around 1 p.m. Not around 1 p.m. What are you saying now? What you're saying now about taking money and not holding has is my biggest thing from erasing everything I've learned in the past year. Kevin says. Well, that's why on these trades, on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, you just take your money and get the hell out of Dodge. Just run. There's your self stop again, 5 minutes. You're in the money again. There's no way that anybody with SPX training is holding a trade for 3 or 4 pips. You literally have been taught to close down at 1 or 2 or 3 pips. Well, it's over 3 pips, unless you open up multiple trades, then you can stay in the sell. So SPX has been completed. Your 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop again is completed for like the well, hell, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time you've made money on a sell stop on SPX this morning. Minimum. NAS, I don't even tell you. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This last time was right here. You just made 27 pips. Why are you staying in a trade that you just made 27 pips on? I don't understand. It doesn't make any and you're under orders. You're under direct train to close after 1, 2, or 3. So none of you should be in the SPX still, even though it's gonna keep going down 5-minute line, blue line. And this is your NAS. Again, over and over and over and over again, we've made hell, you could have made up to 35, 40 pips, 20 pips, 27 pips, 27 pips. How much more do you need? Here's your US 30. Again, look at what see, it looks messy here. Just go up a level and wait. You say, "Oh, well, I'm gonna do" okay, then wait for the 1 hour. Wait for the 30-minute 1 hour. Does that mean you're gonna miss out on the sell stop? It can, but so what? Have you been calling 1 minute, 5-minute sell stops the whole time? Are you in again over here again? 17 pips? Have you been again 40 pips up? Have you been again 30 pips up? Have you been again 20 pips up? Have you been again 6, 8, 10 pips up? Yeah, multiple times. Look at the money, you're up again. Here's your US 30 going down. You're up 24 pips. Sell your 1 minute, 5-minute sell stops. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you've already have these, let me rephrase that. Close them down. If you're up 20 to 30 pips for like the 15th time, take the money and run. Lock it in. Take it. If you have 3 or 4 open, close down 2, leave 1 open. Look, sell, stop, fill in the gap. Perfection. Nas. Sell, stop. Look at how close it is. Nas is gonna be the winner. Who wants to bet on SPX second or US 30? I don't know if we're gonna get it actually, but we can try. Ooh, it's pretty far away. I don't think we're gonna get that. But Nas might give us a good shot at that. Look at Nas. That's all. I mean, I can't help you all any more than fucking climb on your computer and hit the damn button. They told me US 30 was the Widowmaker. It is the Widowmaker. Yep. 88 trades for $2,803. Congratulations on the dollar amount, but 88 trades is too many trades, Jimmy. Well, unless you're opening them up on the same symbol, that's cool. Got to save a few thousand. No, you don't. You trade with nothing first. Urban Story. Grab profits and dip. Need to lose the FOMO mentality instead of holding, thinking you'll make more money. Just grab more trades as they come. They happen all day. Correct. That is a very wise statement, Team Lane. Mama made $126 on NAS. Mama! Yay, yay. Angela, congratulations. Taylor, yay, yay. Mama, wait. NAS. Nice. US 30 is the Widowmaker. US 30 will make and break people. Best believe it. Yes. No time frame trades. Yep. Nice. Sure. Mentality. Yep. All right. Let's see what we got. PB short squeeze. US 30, please. 2,800. Nice. Jimmy Hustle made $2,830. Angela Taylor made $126. That's fantastic, you guys. What platform we're using? It says right there, platform is MetaTrader 4. And it's trying to SCA. Damn. Where do I go to be on the same platform? What can't you read? Bro, look. And don't keep asking the same questions over and over and get the hell out of here if you're gonna be rude. I have no time for you. The platform is MetaTrader 4, the brokers Eagle FX, Eagle size. Can you not see that? Yeah, it says right there, platform. Dude. Okay, J Precious, handle that, please. I ain't got no time for that. I ain't doing it. Athena, you do not have to save up any money. You're fine. You can, trade with as little as 0 because you're gonna learn paper trading for the first month or 2. Then you get $200 and trade only SPX. You don't need thousands of dollars. You do this every day trading. I'm saving up to do this. Happy Monday. But remember, Jimmy, Monday's trap days. Don't trade it. People are look at the money you're making. It fought so hard. These sell stops this morning, up, down, 1 minute, blah, 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 5-minute, blah, blah, blah. Now look at it. Now look at it. Now look at the money you're making. It just was trying to look at it. There it's going. It fought like a demon not to go down to that blue line, but that blue line is like a magnet, and it took it down anyways. There it is. Thank God. So everybody's in the money on their sells. I know you are. Watch out for news too. Yeah, right. News. I love when the market gives and gives. Thank you, Kevin Bri, learning system is huge blessing. Thank you, Keith. And thank you for making the scanner, which I got to bring up right away. Athena, got to know you know, Athena. You can do it very easy. Yes, I trade every day. This is my YouTube channel over here. Let's see here. And move this out of the way. This channel right here has 437 videos on it, and it has, um, all of my trades I ever do, and I've always trades Monday through Friday, live trading. That's what it is. And every day I do it. Hundreds and hundreds of videos. Every trade I've ever made for the last 8 months is on here. Good, bad, or indifferent. Every trade I've ever made or called out is on here. I would strongly recommend you go over to YouTube. Strongly recommend it. Yours is the best I've seen as far. You're a gem. You're the boss. Thank you, Athena. Broker we're using is Eagle FX. Use any broker you want. James Hobbs. There it is right here. It says the platform, the broker, and the lot size. I know you see it 'cause I can see it on my own computer. I know it's there. Strongly going to YouTube. Yep, absolutely. The alerts are better there too, by the way. Dude, I watch puts in 30,000 US 30 and buys and sells all day. I don't have 30,000 to make the 10% he's really Drew Mount. People make $100, $50 a day, Drew. What are you saying? You can put in $200 and make $20 a day. You can put any amount you want. Oh, you mean someone else you're watching, Drew said. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we don't talk about anyone else here. You'll be banned and blocked in 2 seconds, but that's cool. I know you're not trying to bring anyone else up, so. There's your sell stop thing. They just fight it. They do everything they can to not make the showing move, the sell stop move, but it still doesn't. Sell stop again, 1 minute. This is US 30, you're gonna make money again on ATM 30 again. It's gonna pull back up. You're about to make more money on NAS 100 again. You're about to make more money on SPX again. What time is it? Yay, 1 purchase, yay. Oh, hi, Precious. It was, I don't see it. Uh, it's fine. Alright, not sure. That's funny. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call I'm gonna head over to TikTok and make some final call outs for you guys. I'm over to TikTok. I'm gonna head over to YouTube and make some final call outs. I'm gonna call out 12 different symbols. I'm gonna write out at least 3 of them. So if you have any questions on TikTok, please ask now. I'm gonna head over there. I still have long-term buys in place in the US 30s, by the way, but I'm currently making a lot of money on some sells. Sell, 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 sell. Made money on your US 30, made money on your NAS, made money on your SPX sells. All of those are in the money, $20, $127. Gold sells in the money. NAS sells in the money. They're all in the money. How late in the day do I post the trading? I usually stop depending on what I'm seeing in the break because I don't care. I have a trade in. Matter of fact, I'll show you one real quick. I have trades in from this trade right here is a buy stop in from let me put this over here. Is a buy stop in from 329, 2.5, 3 weeks ago. So I don't matter with the time or anything I'm trading on those longer term hourly trades, right? Now these minute ones are way different. The minute ones, I'll quit trading somewhere in the neighborhood of, um, I don't know. I guess I quit trading somewhere in the neighborhood of 11:30, 12 o'clock most days. Yeah, I would say 11:30, 12 Eastern Standard Time, sorry. Jimmy also said, "God bless you." Thanks, Jimmy. God bless you too, and great job today. All right, anybody else on TikTok have any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube. YouTube, you can see so much more. I have more charts open. I have different things open, too much, everything like that. I'm gonna leave you with the thought that there's probably gonna be 1 minute sell stops, 5 minute sell stops, 1 minute sell stops, and then 1 hour buy stops, 30-minute buy stops. Right? So I'm out of here. Oh, is NAS a buy? Long term. Thank you, Sister Nice. Is NAS a buy? Let's take a look. NAS is a 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. That's what NAS is, right? I'll put it down here. We'll wait to see where that rolls out. Oop. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line NAS, and then it is a 30-minute 1 hour buy stop. 30-minute 1 hour buy stop. All right, guys, heading over to YouTube. I will see you later, probably again this evening, actually. Talk to y'all later on TikTok. See you guys. Yay! I made it through TikTok again. Woo me. I didn't get banned. I didn't get banned on TikTok. Woo. All right, here we go. Jumo, just worth unless you bet big was all I was saying. I'm still learning. Definitely need to in the game of just 100. Yeah, Dreamo, we don't do that here. You can trade. You should be only trading with 0 actually, 2 months. Then your 3rd month, you can trade with what you want, but like $200 is more than enough. Gold was magic today. All right, let's see what gold's doing. Oh, look at that. This gold 15-minute sell stop was called out 16 hours ago with these exact words in this exact video right here. I'm gonna pull it up for you. Here you go, because I know you guys just love when I bore you to sleep with this shit. I'm taking credit for the system. Right here. This one, right? Commercials. Commercials. Da, 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 da. There it is right here. There it is. This is the video. We're all on YouTube, right? This is the gold video right here. This is oh, it's too blurry. But that's the call out right down there. You can actually up. It says gold right here. Look, it says gold 5 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. This video was 17 hours ago. This video that was 17 hours ago calling for, which these words right here, that's the blue line. This is the 15-minute chart, and that's where it went to. Yeah, you could have made all that money on gold and should have. This trade was obvious and easy. Red, 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 green, red, red. You put it below, and there's your money to the blue line. I put my sell stop in up here, and there it is down here now. You're up so much money on gold, it's not even funny. Up down to 1990. Easy peasy money. How great is that? What about gold now? Said Don Manesh. Well, I don't know. It already hit our shit. I don't care. It's a sell stop, 5 minute, 5 minute. It can go down to the 30-minute mark, 30-minute line right here, or close to it. It's probably not gonna hit it. It might hit it. But it's gonna go down close to there, and then it's gonna hook back up again. 1 hour, 4 hours. It's a 4-hour buy stop, longer term if you want that. And there's your daily. Now, again, I'd love for this to pull down on the daily. That'd be beautiful. There you go. All right, I'm gonna run through, everything, then I'm gonna come back to US 30. I will do US 30 before I go. All right? I'm gonna do Bitcoin. Bitcoin 1 minute, sell stop. Yeah, 5 minutes, sell stop. 15-minute, nothing. Pull back up. It's gotta come back up. It's too far down. 30-minute, 1 hour. 4-hour buy stop Bitcoin. 5-minute sell stop, 4-hour buy stop. 5-minute sell stop Bitcoin, 4-hour buy stop. Daily, nothing. Oh, well, it's actually gonna keep going up to the line eventually. Weekly, sell stop. Monthly, buy stop. Ethereum, 1 minute, to the blue line, buy, 5 minute sell stop, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, already hit its blue line, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, XRP, 1 minute, I think it's gonna be a buy to the blue line, 5 minute sell stop, 15 minute, nothing, 30, nothing. I already called these out, man, they worked out perfectly. All these trades worked out perfectly this morning. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop, already hit the blue line, I already called that. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, that was XRP. Oil, I know one of the guys already made a shit ton on oil. Oil, crap. Oh, did it make it up to the blue line? Did it make it up to this blue line? It came close enough, that's what it is, close enough. 5 minute sell stop, oil, you should already be in the money. 15 minute sell, nothing, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop oil. Daily sell stop oil, weekly buy stop, weekly, monthly buy stop oil. BBB, JPY, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute sell, 1 minute, already 5 minute buy, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, gap, too late on well, you're already late. Weekly buy, too late, too late. It's a weekly, monthly buy to the blue line, but you're too late on that. EUR USD, we made so much money on EUR USD. Sell, 1 minute sell, gotta pull back on the 5 minute, you're gonna see a 1 minute buy stop eventually kick in here. It's gonna come back up and touch this 5 minute line, but we called this 5 minute sell early today. Matter of fact, it was a 5 minute sell to the 15. I mean, Team Laney, Tracy made money on that specifically through Nadex. I remember that specifically. 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. It can go down to its 30 minute line, by the way. There it is. And by the way, just so we're clear, EURUSD is the complete opposite of USF. Always complete opposite. Always complete opposite is what they do. 1 hour nothingness, 4 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to the I called this trade back in February. It went up over 350 pips for you. Very easy trade. Should have seen it a mile away. That's ERUSD. This is USHIP also going down. ERUSD going up. Then you come over to weekly sell. This is the great reset. This is what they're gonna do to us. They're gonna force us to go to digital dollar when this collapses, but it's gonna go up for a little bit before the collapse. It's gonna go back up to this red line to be specific, and then a monthly sell. So ERUSD is a daily buy, weekly buy, monthly sell. Actually, I'm sorry, it's a weekly sell and a monthly sell. That's ERUSD, and that's everything. That's 12 of them. Let me go back to our little pairs. SPX, minute, stop, 5 minute, sell stop, 15 minute, nothing, 30, 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. Good enough for you guys? 1 minute, NAS 100, sell stop, 1 minute, 5 minute, sell stop, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute buy stop. It looks familiar with what I already just said to you guys. US 30, I'm gonna put my line in. US 30. Oh, those little fuckers trying to horse around. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop, 1 hour buy stop, and that's it. These are exactly what I left you with, and that's exactly what I agree with right there. Alright, you received your email, we'll get a response sometime soon. I've emailed you, Harry Bri. Thanks. Okay. Alright, anybody on YouTube have any other questions? We're in the money a lot. I'm in holding long-term US 30 buys, just to be clear. Holding long-term US 30 buys, just to be clear. Holding long-term US 30 buys, to be clear. Dot, 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 dot. Alright, now, anybody have any other questions on YouTube? Anyone have any questions on YouTube? Anyone have any questions on YouTube? Anyone? I have everything set up. We're gonna be doing the the small group trainings. I'm saying small group trainings with everyone who purchased at 1 PM today. Make sure you guys are all set up. I am not here to hold your hands. I'm not here to babysit. I'm here to train you. Make sure that you're ready to go. Everything has to be ready to go. If it's not, you'll be kicked out of the class. You'll be gone. You have to do it next week. I'm also doing a 4 PM training. Um, not sure how you're gonna receive an email on that, but it'll be through Discord. I'm training. Not sure how I'm gonna do that. I have to push it through another email. Anyway, it's only open for people who have bought the system. The only people who are allowed in at that 4 p.m. training will be people who bought the system, and then you'll be getting an email about 5, 10 minutes before then how to do it. It'll be through Zoom. Alright. Kendall, he says, "Thank you." Alright. Harry Brain Bain says, "Thank you." Alright, guys. Anyone else on YouTube have any other questions, any other concerns? There's 108 of you watching, 102 likes. Thank you for that. I have nothing else to offer you guys. We made a shit ton of money today back and forth. We're just printing some of those things. We're just printing. What a glorious day. Alright. Anybody have any questions or comments or concerns? Going once. YouTube, anyone has any questions, comments, or concerns? Going twice. Yep, I gotta load that up. Okay, trash. What's up, Ken? Ken Rose in the house. He always is. Thank Kevin. Thank you, Ken, for watching. Thank you for coming, Kevin. Thank you, Tracy. Sorry I called you a male earlier, my bad. Team Lane. Thanks, buddy. You're welcome, Sam. All right, guys. Y'all made some money. Good luck and God bless on everything. Bootlegger, thank you, sir. All right. I need more pencil. Marty. Join us in the, I'm sorry, Marty. Everyone goes through those growing pains. You'll get it. I'm grateful. Thank you, Michael Vick Pippin. Thank you. Blessings to everyone. All right, guys. Take care and God bless. Have a good day. I'll probably see you after my training, and then I'll do another one with you guys later this afternoon, 5, 6, 7, something like that. Not for long, like 2:30. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. See ya.